Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. Obviously, this is Dave. Okay. Usually, for the last couple weeks, my partner Ron has been taking over, but as of right now, we're gonna switch it for this week and probably next week, and I'll be handling the morning sessions. Okay. So you'll notice if you watch the the Tokyo sessions, I have a little bit different style of trading than Ron. Okay, still the same methodology of like scalping and stuff like that. All right, but I use a 200-day moving average. Okay, which is this yellow line right here. All right, so keep that in mind. And we're just gonna chart down from the top down. Okay, but guys, before I get into that, I just need you guys to understand that one, we're not financial advisors. Okay, it says so in the description. Anything that we do is just basically providing you guys free technical and fundamental analysis. We're not a copy and trade program or copy and paste program here. So if you're looking for anything like that, you might want to sign on to another channel. We're trying to, like I said, provide that technical and fundamental analysis. But if you never entered or traded the Forex or stock market before, make sure you consult with someone who has done it or a professional. And yeah, guys, so get through all that mumbo jumbo. Let's get down to trading. All right. So you will see that I'm on gold on the daily. Okay, I'm going to trade gold, US 30, Nasdaq. All right, and we're going to roll it like that. Okay, so on the daily on gold, okay, remember it's not even 8 yet. We can see we have a nice little uptrend forming here. Okay, it's starting to form, potentially right around the 200. If we get it above the 200, you can see that there is some consolidation areas roughly right around here. Okay, and the reason I'm saying that is it's pushed in, got rejected, held around the 200, pushed, held, rejected, and then it started to push down. Okay, and then you had a nice little bounce up. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. That's on the daily. All right. So now I'm not going to keep that on there. Right. We're just going to gather good information with what we have. Okay. So remember, I'm going to erase this, guys, just because it's going to come when we go down to scalping. It will be a little bit crowded. Okay, but just keep this in mind. Like I said, we are in a steady uptrend. Okay. And I hope everyone had a good weekend, well rested for another big week. Okay. Definitely a very big week. There's a lot of news here. I'll go over that in 1 second. All right, but we definitely have a big week ahead of us. All right. Okay, okay. So now you can see, guys, we're really floating around that 200-day moving average. We're starting to work our way up nice, but they are still getting some nice little bounce back to the for the bearish push. Okay, so they're starting to push up. You can see right around the 200, they're consolidating it. Okay, this one tried to break above, this one went a little lower, and this one made a little lower. Okay, so now we're really getting that push. Okay, right where that 1729, 1795 mark. Okay, so let's just get down to some business here and start our charting. Okay, let's drop it down from 4 hour to the hourly. Yeah, we'll do Nasdaq 100%. Because I'm not even looking at the indices until market open. Okay, we'll chart them, but we might get a nice little movement beforehand. But as for right now, like I said, right now I'm just looking for gold, maybe a 830 move. We'll wait and see, and then we'll be able to work our way into the market open. All right, at 9:30, we'll have a nice little opportunity to choose what we want to watch. All right, and then we'll go based on that. But as you can see, guys, right in this top area, there's been a lot of opportunities for potentially a push, but it's got rejected. Okay, so it's definitely getting pushed back down. Give me 1 second here. Perfect. Okay, guys, from the hourly now. Okay, right down to the 30. Okay, so you can see gold is starting to soften, a nice little bullish push. Okay, now it's starting to sell off here, guys. I did just send kind of like a trade idea, not no targets or anything, but I said gold looks like it's going to be in a nice little sell-off for the next little bit. We'll see if it's going to continue, but it might just be a quick little pullback, and then we'll have a continuation. All right. Okay, 15 minutes. And like I said, I hope everyone's having a good morning. Thank you for joining on the call. All right. Definitely here to make some pips. Okay. Remember guys, this is gold here, okay? This is gold. Sorry, trading is a bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. Okay. So you can see a nice bearish engulfing candlestick that we're currently at, the second candle. A lot of selling momentum just came in the market there, okay? Like a lot. The rate at 1793.10, okay, and you can see that it's been previous. Right across the board, right in this area, they got there and they sold right off. Got here, sold right off, okay? So we got to keep in mind that we're in an area where there's a lot of opportunity for sellers to take control and start to push it down. Okay. Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Let me just see what's going on here. On the 15, we'll finish it up and we'll drop it down to the 5. Okay. Okie dokie. So as you can see, guys, what's going on is we had some heavy push, some heavy resistance right there. I told you that like this area is going to be key. All right, and obviously it was, and it's starting to maybe test that 1790 area. If it breaks 1790, you're looking for it to come down to at least 1788.65. Okay. And now we're going. There we go. Let's see if it'll break here, guys. Okay, so if gold bounces, we're looking for something like this. Okay, and if you trade with me, you understand what this is. If you don't, just sit back and watch. Okay, I'll explain it in 2 seconds. And then I just want to send it to my group here. Okay guys, so you'll understand that we're using these flags as potential entries and potential like stop losses, okay? So what I'm looking for gold to do is it made a nice little high, okay? Pushed up. All right, pushed up here. Now it's starting to test here. What I'm looking for is maybe a little bit of bounce here and then for it to fall, right? And we'll see if then it's going to start to tank or if it's going to push back up. Remember, the overall trend is bullish, okay? So you really want to just be looking for opportunities to buy. But if this thing's going to sell off, you see what I'm saying? It has an opportunity to continue, at least right down to there. Is it worth spreads and commissions? Maybe not, okay? So we'll just see how gold is going to play out. All right, keep that in mind that you don't really want to just enter in right off the whim, right? You want to give it some time to see if these trades are going to happen, and then you want to catch the overall move, right? You're not just sitting here wanting to collect like potentials like with bad R to R's. Okay, you want to try to find a nice little area, like I think roughly in this area right here, between 1791 and 1789, that it could have some consolidation before making its next move to the upside or to the downside. So that's why I have those 2 red stop losses there, just so you can kind of see that 1791, 1789, if they break below here, okay, it's going to possibly continue down, which look, selling off here, all right, bounce, see, and then we'll see if it's going to make a continuation, all right. So let's just wait and see. There's still it's around 8:05. Okay, we're still a little early here. We obviously didn't trade London. We'll maybe do a couple sessions this week. But like I said, Tokyo we're doing tonight, and then obviously this morning New York. So we're looking for big breakouts here, guys. But let me give me 2 seconds here. So let me get this link, and I'm going to drop it to the free group here. Okay. Okay, so we have a bullish engulfing candlestick now that's starting to form. All right, so you can see that they're starting to try to push it back up here, and they didn't make it to the downside. So what I would usually do is just move this around here. So this is an opportunity, guys. I wouldn't enter on the first candle. Okay, I would patiently wait for it to close. So look, it sells off. See, starts to push back up. I want it to start to close. I need it to close around 1791. So up in this area right here. If it does, it can continue, maybe break this high, and then we can have a continuation. Okay. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen. Okay. But as you can see, guys, they're really trying to push it up. Okay. Most likely you're going to get it to 1792.3. Okay, which is just the bottom of this consolidation area right there. All right. So just be patient with it, but that would be looking like a potentially good opportunity, right? But keep in mind, we just had selling pressure come in, buyers came, took over, okay, bearish engulfing candlestick, which is a trend reversal, and then basically what it's trying to do is break above 1791.23 and hold. Okay, if it does not, if it starts to sell off, then we're going to go into the bearish trend. All right. So guys, this is gold on the 5 minute. Okay, you can tell it's making moves at 8:30. We're looking for an overall bigger move. Okay, for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over and chart US 30. Okay, then I'm going to chart Nasdaq. Okay, actually, you know what? Let me chart Nasdaq first. Look at US 30. Look at Nasdaq right now, guys. Just sideways trading, not too much. Okay. Okay, but that's on the 5 minute. We're looking to get on the daily. Guys, isn't it crazy? Obviously, we've all been following. But look, there's some heavy resistance right here at the high, guys. 15,000, 152, 153 area, right? Roughly right here, you can see it. Okay, you can see a lot of rejection there, all right? But they're still holding that steady little uptrend, okay? So we might see a little break of the high today and then maybe a little pullback, all right? You can definitely see that opportunity happening. But we just got to wait and see. We'll go over the news and like as soon as I finish this, all right? But right now you can see, guys, this thing is, they're trying to really push it up, guys. We're going to all-time highs here. Like, this is history in the making. You know what I mean? Just just sit back and relax. If you don't feel comfortable trading it, like I said, throw on your demo account and practice like that. And if you just want to learn how to chart and learn how the markets move, if you're still new out to this, like I said, there's no one forcing you to try to trade. You know what I mean? You just practice as much as you can, and when you're ready to go, guys, you're ready to go. Okay. But if you can see, guys, it's making an inverse head and shoulder here on the 4 hour. Okay. And what I mean by this is there's a shoulder. Okay. There's a head. Okay. And here's the other shoulder here, guys. That's on the 4 hour. Okay. So like that's a bullish, like that's a nice pattern to see, especially spotting on the 4 hourly, guys. Because once you can spot that on the 4 hour, you start to understand that like this has opportunity for our lower time frames for the potential breakouts. Okay, so let's wait and see how this is going to play out. But we definitely have some opportunities here for some nice movements on Nasdaq. Okay, but obviously market open, they have their own kind of agenda, how they play it. We just have to react based on that. You never want to be smarter than the market, guys. Like, you're not. No one is. Okay. One, not a lot of people have more liquidity than it, so you got to trade with it. Be smart. Trade with it. We understand that there are opportunities and patterns presenting themselves, and you just have to learn to trust your gut and to remember those patterns. Obviously, when you drop down to lower time frames, that these trades maybe take a little time to happen, but when they do, they can pop off. Okay. Okay, guys. So can you guys hear me okay? I just want to make sure my mic is good and stuff like that. No issues there. And guys, if you're new, all we're doing is basically charting a top down from US 30. We just did gold, all right? And we're going to do market open, all right? Gold is sitting around 810 right now. Audio okay, perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. I'll go back to gold for sure. Give me 1 second here. There he is. Brooklyn in the house, baby. Good morning. Hope everyone had their coffee. You know what I mean? Everyone's ready. All right, look, guys. So now we're consolidating roughly in this area here between the high and 15,122 on the 30 minute. Okay, you can see they made a nice bullish push, like nice push. Okay, but now they're getting some resistance. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to potentially have that next move. All right, and that'll most likely happen around just before market open or at market open. Okay, yeah, Brooklyn's finest, baby, in the house. That's it. Okay, let's go drop down to the 15. Good to be Nish. There he is, brother. What's going on, big dog? Hope you're having a good one. Hope you had a good weekend. You're hungry to make some pips. Okay, so look, guys. All right, we made a nice little far from 15. Now we're all the way up here. Okay, guys, it has opportunity to really pump or dump. Okay, because notice how the 200 is like very extended to the upside. Okay, like keep that in mind too. For this thing to go bearish, this thing's got to hammer through here and then turn this curve to the. That's on the 15 minute, you know what I mean? But it has a lot of opportunity too. Like we're forming some good areas, guys. Look at how bullish that is. Okay, nice double bottom breakout right there. See, look at this. See, look, boom, boom, boom. Found some support. As soon as it broke right here, right? Look at that push, guys, and it hasn't slowed down at all. Right, so that's what I'm saying. When you start to memorize these patterns, extremely important. Okay, now we're on the 5 minute. I'll go back to gold, guys. I think gold's having some kind of movement here. Jake, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. Nish, missed you guys too. Hanif, welcome, brother. Yes, you definitely get a secondary outlook today. All right, so we'll wait and see here. Okay, guys, give me 1 second here. So it's finding really good support. You guys see all this support that it's formed right there? Massive support area, okay? I can see a potential break right here. If it breaks that 15,141 area, it can start to rise up, okay? But for right now, just gonna let this kind of play out. Okay, I do know there's a lot of resistance coming to where it's potentially heading, but we're gonna get nice breakouts, guys. Nice breakouts in the morning, trust me. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna really just leave this. All right, so I'm just gonna draw just until maybe market open. It's still 8, guys. Still got like a couple hours. All right, so it starts to break up there. It's looking good, but it's got to break through here. Do you see how the high? Okay, and obviously it starts to break through the low right there. If it starts to break downward, guys, it's going to test the 200. Okay, so just keep that in mind. One thing to remember is also don't really be in any trades before 9:30, simply because it's a lot of erratic activity. Okay, we'll talk more about that, but yeah. Okay, guys. So look at gold. This was just when we first started. Okay, gold made a little nice bearish movement here, nice little pullback. Okay, then we had a nice bullish engulfing candlestick. All right, like the very bullish. Okay, which is this candle right here. Okay, for a lot of people who start to understand what candlesticks look like. Okay, if you start to understand, guys, this trend reversal pattern is predominant, and it can be used on any time frame. Okay, so guys, we didn't really take this trade, you know what I mean? It was just kind of when we were looking. Okay, but if you did, like, that's totally up to you. But if you are looking to do something, we needed to break above this resistance right here. You see, nice little push up to the upside. Okay, and then we want it to close above here, try to break the high 1793, and then we'll go like that. If not, guys, like I said, there's a lot of bearish pressure here. Okay, starting to sell down. So just keep in mind, guys, like I just flipped to this right now. I just threw this on here when we first started. I didn't look to take this trade. I think it's going to go maybe a nice little pullback bearish here, but it did make the nice little move to the upside. So let's just wait and see. It's kind of in a not a finicky, but it's in an iffy area. Okay, I want to see what gold is going to do around 825 to 830. Okay, so I think it's really just going to come up here and maybe push back down. Okay, so if that's the case, guys, I'll show you what I'll do here, just so you understand my style. Okay, like that would be one trade. Okay, for real. So if you're like looking, you're like, okay, this guy's charts, I saw his Tokyo session, what do I do? What I'm looking for is because a lot of people ask me, like, when you see these overall charts, like, if I put this over here, you can see and pull it down, you can see just it's all in the green. Okay, but you're probably wondering, like, where's the next potential entry? Okay, that's what I'm looking to look for. Okay, pretty much dissect the areas where we're getting key support and resistance breaks. All right, and right now I don't feel comfortable looking for anything other than maybe like a pullback sell, but it's gotta anything for an entry. It's got to be at like 1789 area. Okay, if not, it's going to continue potentially bullish. Okay, and then break that 1793 area. All right, so let's just wait and see. That's most likely the area if it goes bearish where it'll go to, and if it sells off, guys, remember your stop loss is 13 pips. Okay, and you're looking, if it sells, to make roughly 31. Okay, so it's not a bad 1 to 3, 3 to 1. Okay, R to R. All right, but again, keep in mind, you don't want to enter in anything prematurely. Okay, so keep this in mind. So Okay, guys, let me check some of these questions here. Give me 2 seconds here. The unforgiving gold, I know, man. Gold is one of those things that, you know what I mean. It's tough. It's a really tough thing to trade, but that's why, like I said, when you maybe have like us charting it, you trading it, it could probably be a good combo. All right, so guys, I'm just gonna see. Hi Dave, first stream with you. I discovered the mentorship last week, wanting to find out where I can look for daily trade ideas. I can't really scalp through the works. Thanks. Yeah, okay. So I gave a 4-hour GJ sell last week. All right, and that thing ran like over 200 pips. So guys, for in our group, all right, which I'll explain what that is for you guys who don't know what that is. We'll send some potential trade ideas for higher time frames. Okay, when we're trading live, all right, might not do it just because like we're scalping gold, Nasdaq, US 30. Okay, I'd rather look to do that with pairs because they're a little more trendy, a little less erratic. Okay, so for Connor, don't worry, dude. I'll get you right after the call. Okay. So give me a sec, guys. Let me drink my liquid breakfast here. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, let's check out Nasdaq. Okay, still not doing too much. Remember, I told you guys Nasdaq is going to have the breaks, potential the upside or the downside. It's right in that area. It's right at the all-time high, and then it's going to make its move. But it's been overall very bullish on the higher time frames, as you see when we did the top down. Okay, let me just reset this for 2 seconds here. So there's the overall outlook on Nas. So guys, you could have bought honestly Nasdaq like I don't know, like a while ago, and you just held it. You would have been perfectly fine. Okay, so but now we're at that area where it's like you may not want to put all your eggs in one basket. We might look for something else. Okay, and that's why scalping is nice. Not to say that it won't go further, but we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. Okay, guys, but also keep in mind, there's a lot of potential news coming up. Okay, I'm going to chart that, but I want to show you the news that that is potentially going to be happening today. Okay, so we've already missed. Sorry, we didn't miss it, but if you traded it, you traded the euro. Okay, at 315 there's good news, orange. 330 there's red euro, which is big, very big German flash manufacturing. Okay, so that's going to have a huge impact on the German 30, regardless. All right. Then we have the euro again. So big euro news, guys, this morning. Okay, right at London. Okay, then 4:30 happened. Got some GU6. All right, we have the EU GBP. Right, so it's been a lot of like Euro GU news. Okay, the sterling versus the euro. Okay, we'll see what's going to happen with it. But as you can see, guys, a lot of it is negative. A little positive here, but there's been a lot more red and neutral than actually than positivity coming out of these folders. Okay, but now, guys, what we're looking for is these folders right here, guys. So what's going to happen most likely on market open is it might what I mean, you might see a push one way, like it's going to either go bullish or bearish, and then when this news drops you might see a quick reversal. So we'll look to catch that, guys, but it's always good to look at your news just so you're doing your own due diligence, right? This is going to be this is big impact news. Okay, 9:45, this is going to have like big impact right after market open. Okay, usually you're going to get a nice push to the upside, but now they might have a reason to push it reverse or to have a continuation, right? And then you have your 10 a.m. news, more euro. All right, then we have existing home sales for the U.S. Okay, that's, you'll notice here that's a neutral folder. It's not orange, it's not red. It's just a basic. So this one might have some impact. We'll wait and see, but you can definitely bet that 9:45 is going to have a nice little impact on us. Okay, so okay, let's back to trading, guys. So basically, Nas in the 5 is still finding that consolidation area. Rate 15,133. 15,127, so roughly right around there, and you can see the overall picture is just kind of bouncing back and forth. Okay, so there's gold. Okay, you can remember, don't look to really take this right now. Okay, this is just kind of when we first started at like 8. All right, we kind of set this up here to see if it was going to maybe get back up to the high of 1793, and a lot of opportunity too, but let's just wait and see here, guys. Wait until 8:30 for gold. Gold is going to have a move at like 8:30, whether it's going to be a continuation or an actual reversal here. Okay, So let's just wait and see. I sent to my group that, you know what I mean, gold might have a reversal on like the 5-15 minute little pullback. It did. Okay. But it didn't actually break that 1790, 1789 area. Okay. It held very good support and then it started to push to the upside. So, okay, guys. 822. Okay. Let's check out US 30 here. Okay. The dirty 30. This is everyone's like baby here. Okay. You can see, look at this, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. You know, I've been trading much market open lately, but I've been doing Tokyo. But if you can see this, unbelievable, guys, just breaking highs, going crazy. All right, so but that's a good thing for us. Okay, that's a very good thing for us because we'll be ready for it, and I think we're gonna have a good day with US 30, guys. US 30 is one of my favorite indices to trade. I think a lot of people really, they like following the Dow Jones. They like they like that, you know what I mean? For some reason it's big in the news. People love news driven pairs, indices, commodities. That's why people love gold so much. They hear about it. All right, so, okay, just let me do my thing here. Okay, you can see that there's some heavy support. Sorry, it's on the daily, guys. What the heck is going on Trading View here? You can see there's finally some good support there. Okay, they tried to push down, bounce back up. Now they're pushing to the upside here. Good support around 34,800. Okay. So let me drop this down from the daily all the way down to 4 hour. Okay, then we'll start gathering more information. It's also interesting that we're right near that 200-day moving average, guys. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so we just made a break. You can see how they tried right there, guys, at August 19th, 10. Okay, but they got heavy rejection. Then it started to push up. Okay, found a nice little bottom. All right, so what we're looking to do is gather pretty much this type of information where the last place that Wix has been, because guys, US 30, we could have some very big moves here, and if you just have stuff like semi-charted before market open or anything like that, it can bite you, right? Because then you're having to scroll all the way back to the left. You know, it's not something you want to just be prepared. Okay. 1 hour. Okay, so you can see, guys, what I'm doing this, I'm not just literally just throwing these lines on either. There, when you can see when you drop it down to from a higher down to a lower, all right, you can see they're starting to build some support. Okay, so we've now pushed up, a nice little break here. Okay, look, see that was a key area right there. Okay, but they pushed through it. Right now they held support and they continued. This is a break and a retest, guys. Like, I'll explain this right here. Okay, and I'll go back to gold after. See how they pushed it up here? Okay, they tried to continue it and they pushed it down. All right, you can see by this top wick. Okay, you can see by this top wick right here, guys. They push it down in this zone, and then it basically it held support, and then it continued. Okay, let's check out gold for 2 seconds. Okay, guys, look at gold. Wow, gold broke up, unbelievable. Okay, guys, remember I did say around that 825, right, guys? Listen, if you're in this trade, okay, move your stop loss to break even. All right, if you in this, I didn't say for you to take it. If you did, you know what I mean, that's completely up to you. This is not a copy and paste channel, but it's opportunity for potential trade setups. Okay, so if you're in this trade, guys, maybe look to secure some partials. Okay, which means if you're, say you did a zero point 0.5, okay, roughly $5, okay, maybe look at taking 0.25, 50%, maybe leave a runner, because you never know if this is going to happen, guys. If it really starts to break above here, if it starts to break the high and hold right at 1793, this thing can continue very bullish. We know that gold has been bullish as of late, so just keep that in mind. We're looking for sorry about that, guys, this trade is annulled. Okay, so just leave that one alone. We can keep it there if you would like, just if we're looking for that sell, because what I can see, and sorry, I just erased that and put it back on. Just bear with me for a second here. I'll explain what I'm seeing here too. All right, so if gold is not going to break above here, okay, you need to see what's potentially the next move or the next trade setup or pattern, or what's potentially to come next. So I can see like a breakdown here. You can see right at this area right here, okay, around that 1790, 1789 mark, that what you're looking to do is it's pushing up. Okay, so I made a nice little leg up. All right, guys, we want to look for movements like this. Okay, pushed up, pushed down, it's pushed up. If it, guys, if we're at a key area, because if it gets rejected here, okay, this thing can start falling. And then if it really falls, guys, like if it gets to this area, that's 1789, all right, this thing can really fall. Like, and that would be a double top. Okay, you can see it right there, make it top, a top, but gold is, it's pushing up. The reason why I'm showing you this potential is because I see there's a lot of top wick at the high. Okay, and that's what I'm saying. If you did take this, maybe look to take some partials, because we could be forming and priming up for a bigger move overall to come. Okay, 830 is going to have a huge impact on this. So let's just wait and see. There's 2 minutes left. We'll stay on gold. Okay, but what I'm looking to do is, you never want to buy at the high. Okay, for real, you never want to buy at the high, guys. But if you personally believe that gold is going to continue bullish, your next opportunity would be something like this. Okay, and you're like, okay, well, why is this guy putting this up here? Okay, like you said not to buy at the high. 1 second. So you're pushing it up here. Okay, if it starts to hold here, guys, if it holds this support, okay, if this holds support, you see what I'm saying? All right, that area right there, it can actually make a potentially next leg up. Okay, you can see it starting to do it right now. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to be like perfect, but this thing is very bullish, guys. See what I'm saying? So if it starts to break, and I'll show you the 1793.6. Okay, guys, if you took this trade so far from entry, I'm not saying everyone would have. Okay, maybe it was roughly 20 pips. Okay. No, I don't trade silver. Okay, haven't traded silver once on this channel. Maybe eventually, you know what I mean. I know silver has some really nice moves similar to gold, but for right now, guys, like I said, we'll focus on gold, US 30, and Nasdaq. All right, but don't worry. Like, silver's been on my mind too. It's I like it. I own some silver. I bet you a lot of people do, but we've never just done it live. All right, so Dang Tongue, thank you so much for subscribing, bro. I really appreciate that. That's huge, and hope you enjoy the call. Okay. Okay, guys. So as you can see, 1793 is the key break. Okay, so we need it to close above here. Okay, and guys, if you look to do this, remember you gotta have a stop loss. Okay, you can't just like trade mindlessly. All right, so 1793.7. So this is maybe a 9 pip stop loss. Okay, guys, that is like that's prime. We want to keep stop losses tight and then let our runners run. Okay, gold's bullish. Okay, we have the 830 candle here. Let's see what's going to happen on this candle. Okay, okay, so it's starting to push up a little bit. Okay, you can see that's the move. All right, 1893. It's getting rejected here. Wait until this candle closes. Okay, guys, if it sells off, what we're looking to do, it's looking good, guys, looking good. I still am I'm waiting for that maybe little pullback. Okay, I don't have RSI on here. You know that I don't trade with RSI. And guys, the reason why I'm saying looking for buying opportunities is because if you take the sell here above the 200, you know what I mean. If you look, okay, having above the 200, you should really only be looking for maybe buying opportunities. Okay, if it's below, maybe looking for selling opportunities, because you can tell. There we go, guys. It's starting to break above. This is nice. Okay. But that's just a quick tip for you to maybe look for your opportunities, because some people get into buys, they get into sells, and they get head faked out to the point where it's like they don't even know what to do. Okay. Okay, so there's still about 3 minutes left here. Let's wait and see, guys. Let this first candle close. Okay, I'm gonna go back and finish charting US 30. So just bear with me here. Okay. There's divergence. I had a feeling. You can kind of tell when they're really overextended. Okay, so guys, Raj Pete, man, pointed out that there is some divergence basically on the lower time frame. So just keep that in mind if you're trading gold. Okay, gold, like I said, might have a pullback. Okay, guys, so remember, this is now US 30 on the hourly. All right, so we're broken above the 200. Now we're really starting to push to the upside. Okay, I'll go back to gold in 2 seconds, guys. There we go, guys. Look at gold. There's gold, guys. That just ran. Okay, there we go. That just ran through the TP. That was it. That was the trade right there. Okay, I told you 1793.86. Guys, this was like a riskier trade. So guys, when you're in, if you did take this, please, like, honestly, move your stop loss to break even. Okay, like, move this to break even. Try to make it a risk-free trade for you, and secure some profits. Okay, because guys, I just showed you this was a trade that, like, maybe got in half. Okay, if you held it though, you know what I mean, it's looking good. But the reason why I put this up here is because people ask me when's your next trade. You know, the next trade. Okay, so this is the next trade, guys. Remember, we're scalping here, right? Like, we can continue to hold this, but make sure you understand that if you're not securing partials for yourself, it's going to be tough. Okay, so, and we're starting to break above, guys, like, pretty nicely here. All right, okay, I need to go on a higher time frame here. Gold is approaching that, yeah, 1795 area, guys. 1795.77. Haven't been there in a while. The next area, guys, this is where we had before, we had that huge sell-off. Like, look at this right here. See all that? Guys, that was the sell-off area right there. Watch, I'll show you on the 5. Guys, so remember when gold tanked? The other, it was FOMC, or I forget where it was. I was trading it live. Okay, so guys, this is a potential reversal zone here, but gold does have the opportunity to potentially get up there. Okay, we'll wait and see. It's approaching take profit 2 already. It just hit it. Okay, and then this is the area. So look, guys. Okay. Okay, so this is a potential reversal zone, guys. So just keep this in mind. But if you're in this trade, okay, yeah, Samurai, I thought it was FOMC. When you're in this trade, you know what I mean? Wait for it, okay? I told you 1793 was the area, guys. That's what you wanted to do. And now you look at this. There we go. Guys, from entry, you know what I mean? If you took that trade, guys, almost 40 pips, okay? Safraz, yeah, buddy. Like I said, that's the next opportunity for was the buy. Now, if you're looking at doing it, you're maybe chasing. This was the confirmation. Okay, like, I know you guys are like, okay, well, he didn't say a confirmed buy. I did, because I said if it broke above 1793, this area right here, that zone, see how it got rejected and it held. I said that if it broke above here and it held, it's going to push to the upside, and that's exactly what happened. Just go back in the video, guys, and just check it out. But gold, like I said, then had the opportunity to run to 1797, and it did, and we scalped the hell of it, guys. Like, gold, in this area right here is the huge opportunity for it to continue, like very big, because this is overall higher time frame support and sorry, basically resistance, because this is where it all sold off. Okay, so guys, really make sure to understand that if it starts to continue here again, like if it holds support, you know what I mean, it's making us leg up. Like, this is a very bullish move here, guys. And I did say around 830 area. So yeah, guys, like, this is a beast of a move here. I'm really glad we caught this. If you guys didn't, it's okay. You know what I mean? You're just maybe not used to the way that I like to do it. You know, that's the nice thing about every 2 weeks. You're gonna get different styles, so you can see how we're looking to do this. Okay, but guys, I do believe in this area though, right around where it says potential zone reversal, that you might get a little bit of a pullback. Okay, if not, gold is just gonna fly. All right, so I actually have to go back on, like, higher time frame. Okay, look at that big, guys. This is us. This is us today. Just catching these breakout candles here. All right. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back down to the 5. Guys, that's our next target area right up here. Okay. And that would be 1800. Okay, psychological 1800. Okay, so let's just wait and see here. I want to finish charting US 30, but this is a crazy trade, guys. If you got in it, honestly, congratulations. Maybe some people are watching, you know what I mean, they're waiting for the indices, but guys, if like I said, if you're not used to gold and you don't like it, you don't always have to trade it. You know what I mean? We just try to show you good opportunities. But a lot of people have been burned by gold. Okay, like myself, I have. So it's a very scary commodity to trade. So that's why you just use smaller lots, guys. Like, if you're doing compounding of like $5 a day, some people, not much, but some people that's everything. At the end of the week, you know what I mean? $25, the end of the month, $100, right? And then you can build on that. But if you're not comfortable with it, guys, and it makes you if it makes you like your heart race when you're in a gold trade, maybe don't trade gold, okay? Because trading's supposed to be fun. I know it's stressful, but like you shouldn't, your heart should not be pounding in fear of a potential reversal or drop, right? Because we're not trading through any news, and you know what I mean. So I hope that makes sense. Just because I know there's some people like I know here who personally trade gold and don't. So okay. So let's go to US 30, guys. So we made our nice move on gold. Okay, it was a beautiful move. Beautiful move. Okay. All right, now we have a double bottom breakout here. I'll show you on US 30. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Came to the neckline, see how right there, and then we have a continuation now uptrending. Okay, I think US 30 is going to get to 35,365. Okay, Ho, I'll answer your question in 1 second, my man. Okay, so we're right at that 200, guys. It's crazy. See, the next thing, the nice thing when you're looking for like higher time frame support and resistance is sometimes you get areas of consolidation where it's hard to find that next leg, okay, that next resistance area. But where it's key is you want to look for areas like this, okay, barcode, okay, because you know that the market makers are basically holding it there to make their next move, all right. And as you can see, that's now the current resistance, all right. So let's wait and see here. There's another area. Okay, now we'll drop down to 15. See if that's good. Just bear with me, guys. Yeah, perfect. Okay, we have that last candle right there. And you see that, guys, it's interesting here too. I know this is previous in time, but we broke here, okay, below the 200. Tried to retest once, tried to retest again. Do you see how they're retesting on the 200, guys? And remember how I told you that those slopes, okay, it's sloping downwards. So when that happened, it got rejected and then it started to fall. That's when the 200 just fell completely, guys. Okay. Okay. Remember, this is on the 15-minute. Okie dokie. Okay, drop down to the 5 now. And guys, for US 30, like you can see that there's been a steady uptrend on the 5 here. Okay. Nice little bounce. Bounce, making leg up, finding some support. Okay, so this is nice, guys. It's above the 200. Okay, so sorry, guys. Sometimes when you click trading, it doesn't always grab. Say. Perfect, guys. There we go. Okay, now the reason why I did that is just because the next 5 minutes we have opportunities here, okay? Okay, there's a nice little support here. Okay, you can see they're starting to make their leg up, okay? Support, starting to bounce here, bounce, good support, bounce, steady uptrend here, okay? But now, guys, there's heavy resistance at that high area, 35,294, okay? So what I need to find here is some, there we go, guys, right out of it. That's where we got that last little bullish candle, okay? Now we're trapped, okay? So bear in mind with me now. Hear me out. Right here, okay? Nice little trap. Guys, I can see something forming here too. You can see nice little sell off here, push, okay? Boom, and then we have a nice little here. If this thing pushes up, it can go, or it's going to get rejected and sell off here. We'll wait more till oh, gold, guys. Look at gold. Okay, so 1800, remember, psychological number. Okay, gonna have a push or pull at 1800. Okay, so let me drop some links in here for the new guys that are on new to the channel here. Okay, just give me 1 second. And guys, like, if you don't mind, maybe get this like up, because we definitely want to get this channel going viral. Okay, so if you guys would do it for me, that'd be huge. Like and comment, that'd be great. Okay, I'm just sending my Telegram channel in here, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, I was just posting that. Okay, Jeff, up K 4K, up 4K on gold, bro. You're the man. Jeff caught that breakout, guys, and I bet you I'll tell you where Jeff maybe has been holding for a bit, depending on what his lot sizes is. But let me tell you something. Depending on if you just got in there, if you got in that support, guys, in that 830 to push there, that was 50. That was 50 pips. That's ran 56 pips. So that's how Jeff can add up to those high volume, high volume trades. Okay, so huge shout out to you, Jeff. That's massive, bro. Perfect. Give me 1 sec. Okay, 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 guys. So just keep in mind here that we have opportunities for this to reverse too. Okay, it made a nice little move. Remember I told you 8:30. Oh, Mr. Ho. Okay, you asked me why is 8:30. To tell you the truth, I don't know. It's just I've been trading for a while and I noticed that gold makes really good moves at 8:30. Okay, so guys, if we're looking for a seller to this, nice tight stop loss here. Okay, maybe at the bottom of this candle. Totally up to you. And don't, guys, listen. Do not hit sell just yet. Okay, for real. No selling just yet. Wait and see, because it can still hold support and then push bullish. What I'm looking for is this. Okay, for it to push to the upside. Okay, see that top wick? Push down, maybe consolidate for a bit, try to make a leg up, and then maybe start to fall back down into the 1793 area. Okay, so let's wait and see here. Okay, wait for the retest, guys. Don't enter in prematurely. Don't start hitting sells. Okay, especially if you're new to the channel. You need to understand that we're just patiently waiting here. Okay, patiently waiting. Okay, so see, guys, we're looking for that reversal now. Okay, and we're not looking for much, guys. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. Okay, this is maybe a quick, maybe 5-10 pip reversal here, or you just leave it and you just roll with just a continuation. Okay, but back to US 30, you can tell that they're consolidating right in that area. Okay, so I'm saying that's why we draw this, so we don't prematurely enter. Okay, we know that US 30 has been very bullish as of late. Okay, it breaking all-time highs and everything like that. And usually, guys, in August, it's usually a sell-off month. Okay, but keep this in mind. You're like, okay, what is this guy doing now? Just be patient with me. Okay, let me explain. Let me just explain this. All right, there's the high. Okay, at least on the 5 minute. What I'm looking for is a potential. See how it's making its leg up, higher highs and higher lows. Okay, find some support here. It's going to make its next move in this area right here. Okay, I'm not saying it's going to make a nice little move like that, but if it starts to break above here, guys, this is the opportunity that we can get. If not, it's going to sell off and start to break all those positive wicks and sell. Okay, so guys, we're in a nice little area of consolidation potentially forming, and these are the coordinates. Okay, these are the numbers. All right, so if it's bullish, you can enter in at 35,292. We didn't get in from down here. All right, and then you just stop loss of 35,275. Okay, and remember that gold is US 30 is very erratic. Okay, so what I mean by that is it's going to have a lot of impulse moves. Okay, especially at market open. All right, so just keep that in mind. Don't prematurely enter yet. It's only 8:45. We'll find the next move when we get closer to that time. Okay, so let's just look at gold again. Okay, gold is still holding some support. All right, we got the nice move on gold. Okay, caught the break, the retest, the continuation, but now we're just looking for maybe the continuation of this move here. Okay, if it touches 1800, okay, fantastic. Trade, if you're in this trade, you just take profit. Okay, so just give me a second here. Jacob, it's okay, buddy. You did have a retest, guys. Like if you started the call, you can go back and see. Look, I said boom right here. That was the initial entry. I said if it broke here and held this area, that was your retest, and that was a continuation. So it did do that. All right, but maybe just enjoying on the call, or maybe you missed the actual break above here. Okay, but if you caught it here, remember there that candle closed. This one opened and it held support and it pushed all the way up. Right. So don't be upset if you missed it. You know what I mean? There's tons of opportunities to make the next big move. Okay. Okay. So gold is still very bullish here. There's still 58 seconds left. See manufacturing having an impact. The manufacturing here. Absolutely, man. Yeah, we were just talking about that. Just because, like I said, it's the news folder right after market open, so you could get a pump and a dump, or a dump and a pump. Okay, but we'll be ready. And the reason why, if you don't know what this is, okay, just click on the folder there. And you can see why traders care. It's a leading indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly to market conditions, and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insights to the company's view of the economy. All right, so huge impact. Okay, it's world economic news, and it's pretty much like an orange folder. Okay, it's not red, but this is going to have significant impact on all USD pairs. Okay, and you can bet that like the indices are going to be heavily impacted by that. Okay, so you can see gold, guys, is still running. Okay, I always say gold trends. Most people, they don't believe me because they get burned by it. But if you can, catch the bottom. Remember when it sold off to like the 16, roughly 1700 area. You know what I mean? If you just bought that and held, you know what I mean, you up over 1,000 pips, right? So Jacob, yeah, in this area, buddy. See where it pushed here? Like this was the entry that we had originally. Like this when we first started the call early. Okay, and also remember it all. Okay, good. Caleb, yeah, you answered it too. Use a lot size, guys. Like if you're not fully prepared to do like your normal standards or your normal lot sizes, just cut it down to half or a quarter, and then test it. Okay, like see if it's gonna work. That way you're not really using too much of your personal account. You know what I mean? You're not throwing a crazy over leverage on it. All right, so 1793, Frank, get it, buddy. Good morning. Jeff, he's back. Guys, Jeff is he paid off his mortgage hard. Congratulations, dude. I think it's gonna get 1800. Remember, I did kind of mention that. So let's just see if it's gonna continue that push. Still 3 minutes left. Okay, so guys, gold touched right at 1800. They're right at that top wick. So I'm saying 1801. Okay, so it pierced it. So we know that there's still opportunity to make higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so from the low here to the high to the low, it's starting to make a high now. Okay, so keep this in mind, guys. All right, this is the opportunity when it does a pullback, but we did say it's going to hit psychological 18. Yazan mentioned it did, and you can see hit 1800. Now we might look for a sell-off, or it's going to have a continuation. Okay, just keep this in mind. Okay, Pablo, what's going on? Jeff, thank you so much for chiming in, bro. And I'm proud of you for making that mortgage payment. Is on. I know you're making your mortgage payment today too. Frankie, what's going on, brother? Jacob, always a pleasure, man, having you on the calls. Okay, guys, let's go check out US 30 for a second here. So you see how we kind of had this trap beforehand. Just wait for US 30, guys. We're gonna see if it's gonna make the next move to the upside or to the downside. All right. Give me 1 second here. So we'll patiently we'll see how US 30 closes. Pablo, take it slow, buddy. Take it slow. There's nothing wrong with that. Slow. Remember this: slow and steady wins the race. Fast and hard, you're out of the game. You know what I mean? So play your cards right, man, and sit back and relax. I was telling you maybe 10 minutes ago you saw the call. Trading should not be hard. Trading should be a fun, easy. It should be a fun. It should be a fun thing to do. If it's not and it's really stressful, I don't think you're probably using the correct lot sizes, and I think it might be something that you know what I mean. Maybe just tune it down a little bit. So give me 1 second, guys. I'm just checking some spreads here on my phone. And guys, like I appreciate everyone signing on this call. You know what I mean. I know we're gonna have a really good market open, but I just wanted to say thank you. I'm gonna go back to gold just so you can see it for 2 seconds here. I know you're probably wondering what's going on with it. A lot of people might be in it. Sorry, I didn't mean to hold it on for US 30 for too long. Okay. So it's still at 1799, roughly 1800 area. Okay. Okay, so there's 32 seconds left. All right. Frankie, stay away from US 30, bro, until like 9:20. Okay. Same with Nasdaq. Don't worry about these. Don't worry about those until that time. Jade, US 30. I don't know if it's gonna have much movement here. Okay. Sorry, the German 30. If you want my outlook on it, okay, like it's still making an uptrend. All right, I'm gonna just go on the hourly here. Okay. So guys, this is the German 30. Okay. So look, guys, we made a nice guys. When you guys start to understand these patterns, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, I get excited. I get excited, guys. Okay, so look, German 30 made it's a double bottom break with a heavy, heavy, heavy retest. Okay, but look, see, sold off, boom, broke into that area potential neckline. Okay, held there, still making all this area right here is higher than this previous support. And then what happened was it started to push up. Okay, it pushed right through, guys. Like we're talking right through. And then, guys, look at that big bearish candlestick sell off. But look, guys, look where it came, guys. Like I can't make this up. Okay, but I just want to show you this. It came right into the same area as that neckline break. Okay, so who I don't really always trade German 30. Okay, but what I can predict is it's going to have some consolidation area right now around this area at 15,838. Okay, before making its next move. Okay, so this was 3. All right, so it was around 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see that nice little bearish. That was London, sold right off. Okay, so guys, if it really starts to break through here, this area, we're looking to come down. All right, you got Jade. You got in a sell. Good for you, girl. You got it. You got it. Okay. So, but I'm not going to chart this up like I normally do because I don't really want to scalp it. Okay, because we got the other pairs to watch. Okay, but what we're doing. Okay, we'll go to Nasdaq 100%. Give me a sec. All right. What you need to keep in mind is you can trade these on the higher time frames too. I know I said it's not the best, but that's why smaller lot sizes comes into play. Like I mean micro lots when you're trading indices. All right. So if it does, the area that it's going to most likely come to for TP, guys, is this one right here. And just bear in mind with me, okay? It's because that was the area that it first started consolidating before you get the sell-off and then the massive dump, all right? And then you got the push up here, okay? Sorry for The arrow, okay, that's potential target. But you can see here, guys, they found a nice little support at 15,903. Tried to break it above, got rejected right at 15,943 area. Okay, so look, guys, if it starts to sell, all right, you know what I mean? This is going to be continuation. We can get down to this area right here. But what I'm seeing is I still see that nice little uptrend area. Okay, so keep that in mind. Sorry, guys. See roughly this. So right on, it can even connect to the arrow. Okay, so if it's going to sell, we're most likely looking to come down to this consolidation area, roughly right around here. Okay, maybe 15,714 area, 15,690 area. Okay, so let's wait and see, guys. I'm gonna for our snipers, guys, I'm gonna send this to the group. Okay, and we'll update it accordingly. And guys, keep in mind here, we're not signal providers. Don't want to be that. Don't want to be that team. Don't want to be that company. Okay, this is for trade ideas. All right, that you need to properly execute and learn when to pull the trigger, and like I said, proper lot management, and even practice on your demo. Okay, so this is the key mark. I would say roughly down in this area right there. Okay. Okay. It's German 30 on the hourly. Jade, this is on the hourly. Remember this, okay? Anyone trading, this is on the hourly. Okay, I'm going to send this to my group. Okay, give me 1 second here, guys. And then we'll go right back because it's almost 9 o'clock, guys. This is where the juicy stuff happens here, okay? Jade, no problem. Message the group too, also, if you have any questions about it. But those two targets for bullish and bearish definitely can have it. That's a very very bearish candlestick. Okay, for real. That's a beyond doubt a bearish engulfing. Okay, so Ford 26, thank you so much for subscribing, man. Much appreciated. Okay. Okay, let's get back now. There's perfect, guys. Okay, so we're looking at soft down there. Okay, and maybe we'll look at gold for one last moment, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, look at gold. Oh, guys, look at this. Jeff, you're buying a house today, buddy. Jeff, did you get your mortgage payment taken care of? Okay, look at this, guys. So remember I had this area potential reversal zone? Like, this is not happening at all, guys. Like, there is no chance in hell that was even a sell. That was another opportunity for a buy. I can't keep marking up my charts of this, but guys, like, that thing is running from the entry. If you held that, look at this, guys. That thing's running 76 pips. Okay. Jeff just bought a new condo in Miami right now. You know what I mean? I don't know if he did, but you know. Okay, guys, give me 1 second here. So let me send this to my group. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, well, Nick Leash, if you're bearish on gold, it's going to come up here, guys, roughly to the high and get rejected. So it's sitting at 1801 area. All right. If you're hopefully you didn't get into a sell too early because, like I said, you would have gone burned, right? But we're looking for a rejection at like 1800, 1801 area. So if this thing breaks, guys, this thing's about to fly, like for real. But I think it's gonna fly. That's just me. All right, because that's what, guys, it's totally broke out of the target that we had set. This is the next one, 1802.37. When it hits there, okay, so 2 minutes left here. There we go, guys. There's that last push. Okay, look for it to maybe do a quick little pullback. All right, so this is my next move right here. Okay, so gold's just hitting TP. And what we're looking for here, guys, is if you see it makes a nice little push, guys, gold just hit that take profit. That'll be 1, 2, 3. That's the fourth take profit. Okay, so definitely look like to secure your partials, but there goes gold, guys. It's gonna break here, but if it starts, why I have it set up here, I'll explain this. I'm looking for it to come to 1802 and potentially sell off into this take profit when we have our stop loss set. Okay, if not, guys, this thing is just going to continue to make its move. All right, if it breaks here, this thing is going to fly. All right, like, I mean, fly right up to this area. Okay, I can get to 1805, and we'll start to switch over to the indices right after this, guys. We did our damage on gold. And when I said 8:30, everyone was probably like, okay, this guy, he's just guessing numbers. Or, sorry, not numbers. He's guessing times. Well, as you can see on 8:30, it pushed up hard. Okay. And gold will never trade erratic during market open. Okay. Always before. And it's never really erratic. It's going to have a continuation. But there goes gold, guys. I'm looking gold for 1804. 1804. Jaden, we do stream every day. So we're taking one stream back. Okay, we do sometimes in London consistently. My partner Ron does that, but we're just doing it maybe 2 3 times this week. All right, and then eventually we'll do one more private run for our members themselves. So, but guys, gold is flying. Like, gold is flying. Okay, hopefully Nick Leash, that you didn't get into that sell, because you know what I mean. You never really want to counter trend. Like, counter trending can be very dangerous, especially if you're not like getting into the actual, like, perfectly sniped entry. Okay, so so it's breaking above here. This is the key area where it's making some support. All right, so you see how it broke above there. Okay, you see how it broke. Look, broke. Okay, it retested here. Okay, we need it to hold here. Okay, if it holds here, guys, it's pushing up to this area right here. Okay, potentially, most likely. All right, so we'll see. Henning, what's up, buddy? Welcome. Henning, you missed some gold, buddy. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to do is, for right now, like, I'm just going to leave gold. Okay, I really want to get back to the indices because I know market open is coming, but look for this to touch there. If not, guys, it's going to start to get rejected here, sell back off. Okay, and then it's going to make a steady downtrend there. All right. $17.84. Okay, so you got up here. Okay, 17.90. Okay, oh, you got it. Nick Leash, you got in 17.90 in a sell. Lost Soul, bro. I make it look easy just because I've been trading it for a while, but I'm telling you right now, it's not easy to do this. You can say the same thing about Ron. He makes it look easy. There's other streamers who make stuff look easy too, but it's not. You just want to make sure you're getting your proper patterns down, your key levels down, and you're doing a top-down analysis. Okay, top-down analysis is literally the most important thing that needs to be done before you're trading, because then you know what your high, your medium, and your low support and resistance are, where the key breaks are for continuation. Okay. So, guys, let's wait till this closes. 3 more minutes here, then we're approaching like that 9-10 area. Then we're going to switch over. Okay. So, Niklaish, if you're still in that gold sell at 17.90, like, you're not too bad. You're down about 100 pips. Okay. Luckily, you use those smaller lot sizes though. But don't let this thing run. Like if you're down 100 pips right now, like please do not let this thing run, like at all. Okay, because trust me when I say, like, value your account. Understand the loss is better. A single loss of like a small amount of your account then is way better than actually losing your account overall. Okay, so that's just my suggestion to you. Okay, so just hopefully you listen. If not, you know what I mean. Let's try to make some pips. Okay. Okay, guys. So US 30 broke down. All right. So that's where the US 30 would look like. Potential sell where it is right now. All right. So let's just wait and see what's going to happen here. It's still early, guys. Like, please don't prematurely enter, because you know there's still that steady uptrend here. If it really falls, what this is a retest, guys. So it's a sell-off. Okay, found some support, making a retest here, and we're going to see if it's going to sell off or if it's going to actually push back up. Okay. Okay, so there's a minute and 35 seconds left here. Nickleash, yeah, buddy, for sure, man. I don't know if you're new to trading or not, but when you're down, like, give yourself for real, man. Like, you know, try to think of it like this: let your runners run and keep your losses at a very minimal. Okay, so if you go down like 20, 30 pips, just take the loss, man. I know it sucks, but you know, it's better than it's better than you know what I mean, trying to hope that'll reverse, because sometimes it doesn't, and then a lot of psychological factors get in. You get mad at the market when the market didn't do anything. It's all on you. You know what I mean? So just a piece of advice, man. You know what I mean? So Nasdaq's already done. We haven't even looked at it yet. So you can see Nasdaq right now. Okay, made a nice little bottom, sold off. All right, found some good support. But keep this in mind, guys. Like, this bottom right here also was the same bottom roughly at this area. Okay, so we'll see if it's gonna push. Okay, so it's 9:09. There's about 20 seconds left. I want to wait till this candle closes, see where it closes. If it closes above support here, or if it gets rejected. All right. Okay. Guys, like 143 people on here. Thank you so much for joining. I know you guys are used to Ron, so you're putting up with me today and maybe for the next couple days, so I appreciate it. Ron's a brother from a different mother, so we have the same style of trading. Okay. So, guys, the new candle opened up. All right, so keep this in mind. It opened up bullish. Okay, so nice little continuation on Nas. It's still 20 minutes till market open. Okay, so I'm not looking for anything for opportunities yet, but we can set them up. Okay, because I know what's going to happen is that when this opens, we're going to have a nice push or pull, and then we're going to have a quick retracement. So we're not going to have opportunities to watch all of them. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to eliminate gold. All right, push that to the side, and then we're going to look to do the US 30 and the Nasdaq. Okay, so and for this, guys, just be very patient. Okay, you're going to see where we're still gonna have an opportunity to have three more candles before market opens. So I might adjust this. Okay, like the consolidation trap breakout. Okay, and I'll just show you just so you can see. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. All right. Okay, so remember the three potential candles, and then market opens, and then we'll adjust accordingly. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave this. I'm gonna pretty much consolidate it. Okay, you can see. Now we can have a push or a pull. All right. Guys, it's always important. Remember when you're doing your charting, okay? to just update your lines. All right, make sure you're putting them at precise, like try to get them as precise as possible on the wicks, because one minor movement can, you know what I mean, especially around gold or indices, they can have it can be detrimental depending if you don't have it set up right. So okay, so this candle's breaking down. Okay, guys, this is not an entry. 9:30, we're gonna look for the entries. Okay, we're not looking for quick entries because it'll burn you. I'm telling you right now. Okay, guys, look. Wow, look at gold. Guys, look at gold. All right. So it broke through. It didn't make it all the way up there, but it got some rejection and resistance at 1804.3. Okay, but gold was a massive break, guys. Massive. All right. Yeah, Samurai, do not counter trade on gold. You know what I mean? You never really want to counter trade in the morning. So okay, so a minute and 42 seconds left. Give me 1 second here. Okay. Okay, let's check out Nasdaq. Okay, so that's what I mean, guys. If you're taking these early entries, these sells and stuff like that, they're gonna push right back in this area. Most likely, they're gonna just consolidate, okay, before making the next move. But you can say try to push down and push it right back up in the 15 in our area of 15,127 and 15,134. Okay, and guys, our targets that we could potentially get to roughly up here. All right, and then we have down here. US 30, guys. There we go. Okay, so that's, I mean, if you would have taken that US 30 sell, you would have got a little head faked out. So I'm telling you, just wait until 2:30. Wait until a little later. Okay, wait until the market opens. We'll catch the overall move. Okay, so guys, I need to know something here. All right, I need to get some interactions up here. I need to get some love. So, what do you guys want me to trade? Okay, do you want me to trade US 30 or Nasdaq for market open? Okay, one, I'm not gonna lie to you, there's 127 people on this call. I need roughly 100 likes. Okay, when I get up to 100 likes, okay, I'll start taking your requests and then we'll focus on that one specifically. Okay, but keep that in mind. Right, doing this for you, just show the love and we'll hit you back. Okay, okay, 81 likes, guys. 10 likes in under 5 seconds. Let's keep going. Liked it. JTFX, thanks, brother. JTF6. Earl, bro, no GJ today. We'll do that later tonight, okay? Okay, 87, guys. 13 more likes to 100, and then I'll take your guys' requests, okay? Guys, the channel is growing fast, all right? Add another 100 subs within the last 2 days, so let's just keep going. 90 likes, guys. 10 more likes, and I'm literally going to go. First 10 I read, US 30 NASDAQ, we're going to chart on that. We're going to focus on it, okay? Look at US 30, guys. Look what US 30 is doing. Remember how I told you that if you would have taken that initial sell, you probably would have got burned? Wait until, okay? Oh, no, Earl, bro, don't worry about that, man. I would love to trade everything at once. We only have one chart, one eyes, you know what I mean? A lot of people are here for the breakouts, baby, for the breakouts, okay? So Earl, don't worry. We love GJ here, 100%, okay? 92. Jeff, congratulations, my man. Hopefully you had a good session, and respect. Thanks for joining. 6 more likes, guys, and I'm taking everything. I'm listening to you. Okay. You are responding to me like phenomenal, guys. When I asked you that, you know what I mean. You guys are hitting it, so I feel the love. Okay, I want you to know that I really feel the love. All right, but as you can see, I haven't moved off my chart. Just want to make sure we get that, guys. It gets the video trending. You know what I mean. The reason why we're growing so fast is because amazing followers like you. You know what I mean? Subscribers. You guys are here every single day, right? So when we can get these videos liking, trust me, we're not, guys. We have bigger plans than this. Trust me, we're gonna do some dirty things within the trading industry. You know, 3 more likes, guys, and we'll chart. But remember, guys, like for real, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on the one, and then we'll look at the other one. All right, but I'm really gonna focus on it. Okay. My man Matt wants the US 30, bro. 98, 2 more. Matt, don't worry about it, dude. You're enthusiastic, man. We need that on the channel. You know what I mean? Maybe you're getting hated on by the Nasdaq lovers, but like, you know, I feel the love, man. It's good. Guys, don't feel bad. As long as there's no spam in here, I don't care what you guys put, for real. If you guys want to talk, you know what I mean, talk to each other about like potential trades, I don't care, because I'm only trading three. You know, if my man Samurai and Jade, they looking at US 30, and then you have my man who knows, Ford, he gives you a good tip, guys. You know what I mean? Just say it in the chat box. Share each other the love. Okay. Okay, guys, 100 likes, literally 100 likes in less than 5 minutes. So mad love to you. I'm gonna go through the channel. All right, Matt, dude, you killed my feed, man. I gotta go over to my OVS and see where my love is. I gotta scroll all the way back. Don't worry though. Okay, so I have 2 US 30s, 3 US 30s, 4 US 30s, 5 US 30s, 6 US 30s, 7 US 30s. I have one NAS, so 7 to 1. Okay, I have US 30 and NAS. Okay, well, my man knows he's going to get both anyways. So we got a US 30, 8 for US 30, 2 for NAS. So we're now 8 to 2, guys. Okay, I'll go to 15. Okay, US 30 is predominant here, guys. I feel bad for you. Okay, I feel bad for the NASDAQ, guys. All right, so then we have 9 US 30, 3 NAS, 10 US 30. All right, NAS. So now we have 4 NAS, 10 US 30. The dirty 30, 11 30. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, so 5, so 11 to 5. Nasdaq. All right, so then we have 11 to 6, 11 to 7. Guys, it's coming. 11 to 7. What's going on here? Oh, Nasdaq 8. Okay, so we have 11 to 8, guys. This is the battle right now. This is worse than the market. You know what I mean? You guys are hungry. So now we have US 30. So now we have 12 US 30. Nas has 10 now. So I don't know. Ford's taking over. I can only count one from you, Ford. Okay, so we have still 8 NAS, 12 US 30. So 13 US 30, 14 US 30. We have, oh my God, so 9, 10 NAS, 11 NAS, 12 NAS, 13 NAS. So 12 NAS, Ford guy kept going in the feed. Okay, then I had Ashley, US, Matt, killing me. Okay, guys, it's literally 14 to 13, but it's for US 30 right now. Okay, and then okay, NAS. Okay, NAS US 30. Okay, so it's literally 14 right now, guys. And then the deal breaker was Amber. Amber banged out. She said US 30. Okay, guys. So Amber made it down for US 30, guys. Let's go. All right, US 30 wins, guys. But don't worry, we'll flip to Nasdaq too. Let me just, because we're gonna focus on, like I said, US 30. This is Sparta. You guys are awesome. Okay, so guys, Nasdaq, for real, keep this in mind. Okay, it's got to break above 15,134.06 to go bullish. Okay, to go bearish, it's got to break down 15,127. All right, keep that in mind too, guys. If it goes here, remember it's still above the 200, so it really should be looking for some buying opportunities. If you don't want to and you like to counter trade, all right, then you know what I mean. Look for that seller on that 15,127. Okay. Is the DXY dropping? Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Guys, before we go into this, I'm just going to show you. I always do my DXY in the 4 hour. Okay, gold is reversing. Okay, I'll look in 2 seconds, guys. But look at this. This is from like last week. Okay, so keep this in mind. It made a nice little high. I had a nice little arrow. It broke above it. Made it all the way to 93.7. Okay, now it sold right off. Okay, so keep this in mind here, guys. Look, the reason why it's holding here is just because of all this previous resistance. It's now becoming support. So if the DXY really wants to tank, guys, gold can push. All right. So let's just wait and see. Oh, you said the DAX. Sorry, man. My screen, it's a little blurry. Okay. I just went over the DXY to show you guys. I have the US 30 charted though. Sorry, I really thought you said DXY, bro. My bad. Okay, so let me just check out gold before. Okay, so gold is not really reversing. Okay, I'm going to tell you this right now. Okay, gold is going to break. It's going to hit 1805 post 930. Okay, when that manufacturing starts to drop, if the DXY goes, like I said, bullish, gold will fall. If it goes bearish, it's gonna pump. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But for right now, leave gold alone. Okay, we're gonna go back to our US 30 here. Okay, and guys, let's get ready for this. All right. I get excited. Okay, like very excited when I get on mornings because like the dirty 30 is something that you want to be on the right side of, but you want to make sure you're catching it nicely. Okay, so if you're not too familiar with how to trade in the morning, okay, just keep in mind, maybe I'll write this down for you so you can see it. If new, use demo or wait for first candle to close. Okay, just basic. Okay, if you're new, all right. If you're more experienced, you know what I mean, you trade how you do. My guy Mario catches the buys and sells in these all day. Ross does it too. You know what I mean? Epic Bob will. There's a lot of guys who will do the same. Okay. So we'll just keep that in mind. I just wanted to put that on there so if you're new, so you understand. All right. Okay, guys. So we're approaching now. It's roughly 925. Okay. So it's still holding good support for the uptrend. All right, but we need for it to hold, we need for it to hold here, that trend, and then close above here, that 35,292. If it doesn't, it's going to sell off, guys. It's going to break. It already tried to break once and was held at the support at 35,258. Okay. 4 minutes left, guys. Listen, this next candle, I'm going to tell you something. It's going to be erratic. Okay. You might get a head fake. So just be patient with this. Okay. Be patient with it. Focus on this one right till the end, guys. Do you have any questions about US 30 or anything like that? Are you wondering why I have my areas the way they are or anything like that? If you do, just throw them in the chat box. I'll do my best to answer them before open. But if I don't get it there, then we'll just have a good trading session, as we already are. Two key areas, guys, set up. Okay, so we're at that 35,275 mark. Just be patient. Remember, it doesn't always want to play out in your favor. They really want to head fake you and then catch the overall trend. And then remember, guys, keep this in mind too. Please remember, please keep in mind, that there's news at 9:45. Okay, news at 9:45. Okay, so let me check out gold real quickly. Guys, there you go. 1805. I told you gold. Look at this. Look at this, guys. From entry to there. That's 120 pips. Okay? In less than an hour. 120 pips. Okay? So that's what I'm saying. Small lots add up. And where's my boy? Niklish? Bro, I just saved you. I saved you, man. Imagine you held those cells. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm saying. Cut your losses. Okay? Get rid of the trade. Don't marry a trade. Okay? Because it don't care about you. You know what I mean? It doesn't care if you're going to win or lose. Here's the candle, guys. Careful on the open. All right? Keep this in mind. Be careful on the open. Let it develop here, okay? Oh, sorry, guys. This wasn't market open. My bad. 145, okay? Don't buy an impulse. There's a minute and 42 seconds left here. Wait till this candle closes. That might be a little head fake, and they might push it down, okay? The reason why I'm saying this, okay, is you see that bottom wick, all right? Just keep in mind, all right? One minute left, guys. 1 minute left. JTF 6, you know it. Don't marry the trades, bro. They don't care about you. Nas, what do you guys? Oh no, guys, you guys are all freaking out on me on Nas. What's going on with Nas? Just breaking down. Oh, wait, that's the trade on Nasdaq. Okay, just be patient, guys. Be patient. If you want to see it visually, I'll put it there. No problem. Okay, that's the Nasdaq trade. All right, just wait, guys. Wait till the market. Wait, even US 30. Just be patient. This game is about patience. You shouldn't have your finger on the trigger. I don't want that. I don't want your finger. Just have a little patience, okay? Remember, if you're new, use demo or wait for the first candle to close. Okay, if you're more experienced, you know how to trade it, go with it like that. All right. 30 seconds left, and then they're gonna have their big move. Okay. "19 seconds, guys. Here we go. Get ready." 146 people on it. Thank you so much. And Kit, just wait, buddy. Don't be taking any buys just yet. Okay. Patience, patience, patience. Okay, if it holds here, guys, it's going to continue to push like that. There we go. Okay, see what I mean, guys? That's why you don't. Let the first candle close. See what I mean? Let the first candle close, guys. Let the first candle close. Okay. Okay, so still 4 minutes left. 4 minutes and under 4 minutes is coming. Okay. So see how they flipped it right away, guys? That's why I said wait for this candle to close. They were banking and they held it on that uptrend. You see what I'm saying? They held it on that uptrend. All right. Let's see if they're going to push up, guys. They need to break the high at 35,327. Okay. Let's check out Nasdaq for 1 sec. Look at Nasdaq, guys. There we go. Wow, that's crazy. That's a bullish candle. Wow. US 30 is going to follow suit. Trust me when I say this, guys. Okay, I have nothing over there, guys. This thing breaks here, it's in the high territory again. You see how it held support there, guys? That's why I said don't enter them previously. Okay. Wow, that Nasdaq break, guys. If you took it from there, I don't know where it is. 16 pips, not bad. All right. A lot of opportunity there. Okay, so if you're focused on NAS, looking good, but I think US 30 is also making a potential little push. Okay. Okay, let's see what's going on with gold here. Okay, there's that potential gold sell-off, guys. Don't enter in prematurely. If it sells off, this is where we're looking here. Okay, just bear in mind with me. 1802.37 will be the sell. All right. Wow, look at that, guys. Flying, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't have any other support for you. This thing is just pushing. That's a pretty disgusting candle, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, that's a bullish candle. Like, bullish. And you guys, look, just see, remember I told you here, just wait until the market opens, guys. As soon as they pushed it up, they closed it right at the stop loss. Boom. You maybe missed, if you were to get into it, you maybe missed 6 pips. But look, when it broke out, guys, like, that thing still ran. It's still running like 23 pips. Okay. Okay. A minute and 32 seconds left. Let's see what's going on with the dirty. Still kind of hovering around in here. Okay. So this trade was no longer there. Same with the Nasdaq. Okay. Bottom one. Look, that's what it looks like. Okay, just pure bullish. See nothing there, guys. Making highs. This is history. We're watching history right now. I don't know if you guys know that, but I think that's pretty cool, to be honest with you. We're trading it live, and this is making history. So US 30 is pushing up again. Okay, there we go. Samurai, don't worry about it, buddy. You know, you're on the night sessions anyways, and you do really well. You know, slower sessions is maybe a little bit easier, right? This is a little bit of erratic behavior. I'm looking for this candle to close and see what's going to happen with the next one. Okay. All right. So if it's going to turn bullish or bearish, we're going to be ready for it. But most likely the break is going to be 35,275. Okay, 35. Here we go. 5 seconds left. Okay, there we go. It jumped up. Look at that. Look at that gap, guys. Wow. You see that gap up? Getting a high 35,000. See how it got rejected right at the 343. Guys, these are beasts of moves, guys. Like, do you understand this? Like, that's why I told you, wait. Man. For some of you guys, don't worry. You're gonna start to, the more you trade with us, you're gonna see when you start to catch these moves right at the bottom. Like, some people, they catch them right here. As soon as they started seeing this body start breaking above this wick, they'll get in it, right? So if you're still new, like I said, just be patient. Rome wasn't built in one day, and neither were a lot of bank accounts. So and neither was knowledge, guys. Like, this took me a long time to learn how to trade like this, and as you can tell, it's very unorthodox. All right, it's not normal. Look at Nasdaq, guys. Okay, so Ford and my man Samurai, I know he'll get it back. Okay, but for Ford, dude, if you missed, don't worry, we'll catch the guys. I don't have any. I don't know why. This is crazy. The Nasdaq is just running, guys. It's just running, insane. I don't have any explanation for this, but I can tell you in 10 minutes there's going to be news, so we'll catch that news. So for Ford, don't worry about it. Okay, we'll look at maybe trading that, getting that little orange folder news. Okay, guys, but Nas is a beast. Like, do you understand this? Even if you caught it from here to there, 24 pips, guys. You know what I mean? What a beast. And US 32 hit our take profit at 35,343. The next target is going to be here. Okay. 160 people watching. Thank you so much. You know what I mean? Like, God bless you all, and I hope I appreciate it. You know. Okay, guys. Gold is still just dangling there, just dangling. Okay, we're gonna wait till see on gold, but I think gold is gonna push higher. Just me personally. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now. I'm gonna go on 15-minute. Might need hourly support. Okay, I'll go right back to US30. Give me 1 second here. I just want to get this charted for gold just in case it does flip. Wow, guys, US30 is a beast. Look at this. It's going to break up there. It's going to hit 35,362. Okay, like it's going to hit right here if it breaks. I'm telling you. Let's see. Okay, so Nick Leach, guys, you're not buying now. Okay, you understand? Like, no, no. See, just hit it, guys. Just hit the take profit. Congratulations. Okay, and a wick down. Okay, what we're looking for now is the next move. Okay, the next move. All right. If you miss this, some guys they understand trigger happy. You can't be late on market open. Okay, but what you can do is you can patiently wait, see how the market plays out, and then maybe catch that next area. My man Mario on the call. Every single time I'm off the call, he always sends the counter trade. Okay, and don't worry, that's something that it just takes a little bit of time to learn. All right. We're looking at US30, guys. It's a beast. Heavy high wick down. Okay. I'm looking at Nasdaq, guys. Do you understand? This is like, I don't want to swear, but this is like effed up. Like I've never, guys. This is history. Like we're watching it live. If you really want to see, that's what it looks like. Like that's honestly what it looks like. That's beyond the high. So okay. Oh, Lost Soul, bro. You got in. You made 280. Okay, you went to 35222. Oh my man, you got down here. Hey, Nick Leash, bro, you just made up all that lost pips on gold. Congratulations, Lost Soul. Congratulations, man. That's huge, huge. Good. Okay, 9 seconds left, guys. Let's see how this one's gonna close. Okay. Emil, yeah, I agree with you, man. I'm looking for that too. Okay. Wow, look at that. Just jumped right up, guys. Right up. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay. Where's US30 heading? I don't have anything. Overall heading for US30, it's getting held up at this right there. So if it starts to break, maybe the next area. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. We have not been up here in a very long time, guys. Okay, look at this. Guys, overall next time, if it really breaks here, it can get up. I don't know if it can get up to this area, but it's a long ways away. Okay, that's 35,304. Sorry, 35,443. Okay, so let's wait and see. Start using this wick as next TP. All right, you can move it up here to understand. And then what we can do, guys, we can start. Guys, any kind of sell-off we're looking at down here, okay, keep this in mind. But we're leaving a potential opportunity to just let it go bullish. All right. I'll show you here. Yeah, don't look at if you're looking at a chart and it's painful, man, don't look at it. Just wait for it. Okay, wait for the next move. Okay, so what we're looking to do is come up here. Oh shit, sorry. I'll check gold in a second, guys. Okay, come up here, getting rejected there. It's either going to sell off, okay, in here, or it's going to break, and then it's going to hold here, and then they're going to continue. Okay, we'll wait and see. But if it's come in this area, sorry, if it comes in this area, guys, Right here, we're getting a nice little sell-off down here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Oh my goodness, it's breaking through, guys. I don't even know what to do. Honestly, like, this is crazy. It's crazy. Like, this is all-time highs. Like, this is when we're old and trading candlesticks when we're 65, 66 on YouTube, we're gonna remember that one time when you know Nasdaq hit all-time highs. Okay, there we go, guys. There's gold. See, I have it right here. I'm not entering in yet. Okay, so Abdulaziz, see how it's holding support there? Just wait. Okay, I want to see the next 5-minute candle open up and see if it's going to close. Okay, guys, so we have a lot of people on here. Okay, you guys have showed a lot of love. Where are you guys from? Okay, like I know like maybe 10% here, but 163 people, that's a lot. Where are you guys from? You know what I mean? Maybe just drop it in the thing. We're still going to trade. I'm not going to go on one of my random my rants on giving everyone a shout out just because it's in the morning, but yeah, I just would love to know where you guys are from. So let me know. Qatar, Miami, UK, Paris, London, Netherlands. Wow. Welcome, guys. Mexico, United Kingdom, Portugal, Ontario, Canada. There we go. Kenya, bro. Wow. South Africa. I love it. Mongolia. Oh my goodness. Peru, Ghana, Germany, Texas, India. I love it. Chicago, Chi Town. Best pizza in the world, guys. Chicago. Okay, guys. So there's the US 30. Okay, that's see where I had that there. Okay, I'm still with you. I just want you to see something. Okay, if you missed it, just look. The 35,343 area was the sell-off. Okay, I'm not going to move it there saying that like we had it set up there. It didn't fall into it. It fell too soon. Okay, so but if you're looking at it, this is what it would look like. Okay, that would be the buy and then the sell. See how they're pushing the volume down now and taking all your liquidity, all the basically profit, all the pips. Okay, that's what it's looking like. All right, so let's look at something like this. I don't think it's going to hold here for now. If it does, we'll wait. But that was looking like the sell off here. Okay, we have 1 minute. 1 minute. New York has the best pizza. My bad. My bad. I agree. New York has good pizza, man. Dave, it's amazing that you can Ronnie internationally. Hey, man, I know. I think about this too. Like our company in 2 years, like we're global, man. We have people all around. Okay, guys. So new candle opened up. Look at this. This is gold. Okay, this is that news folder, guys. Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt you. Okay. Ludic Ricardo, thank you so much for liking the video on Facebook. Mad love. Okay. Okay, guys. This is gold. Okay. Don't get head faked out with the buys. Just wait. Just wait. We'll look at the other pairs in a second. I just want to focus on gold. We have a lot of gold lovers here. Okay. Iceland. Wow. Okay, so you see how they're pushing it up, guys? They try to push up, then they push right back down that wick. That's why I'm saying no premature enters because, like I said, you could have got burned, could have got head faked out. If gold continues, I'm going to show you. Okay, maybe keep if this area is like opportunistic for a buy, that's a buy right there. Okay, see how I'm keeping my tight stop loss tight because it is buying at a high. Okay, maybe looking for a breakout, but right now, sorry guys, got an itchy ankle here. It's selling off. Okay, let's take a look at the dirty. There we go, guys. It caught the sell. Okay, guys, if it starts to break in here, the US 30, it's going to come back down roughly to the 35,292 mark. Okay, if it starts to really sell off, it's going to get to 2,000. Oh my God, 2,000. Sorry, 35,275. Okay, but it's got to start to break these areas. Okay, there we go. Guys, we also got YouTube Prime. Okay, so we're gonna have some nice little chill beats and music. I know a lot of people don't like it, but we're not gonna have like crazy music. But we're just gonna have some more like ambiance in the back. Okay. Yeah, news has been released. We'll wait and see, guys. Here we go. So we're looking to focus on US 30. Okay, see how it's selling off. All right, let's check out gold here. Okay, interesting. Gold's in that determination state of it's got to make its next leg up to the upside or to the downside. Okay, so keep this in mind. There's still 2 minutes left here. All right, if we go to the news, we can check it out. Okay, look, negative, both negative. Okay, so gold is probably going to continue bullish because let's see, the DXY, okay, found a little bit of bottom, getting rejected here. It's still a long wick for the buyers pushing up, but let's see if it's going to hold or if it's actually going to fold. Lebang, yeah, man, you can join us for sure. Absolutely. Just click the link in the profile up top, swing over to the website, join in, fill the information, and welcome to the Sniper Squad, bro. I'll go over that right at the end. I haven't really showed anybody what it is, but I'll show you guys for sure. Okay. Okay, so there's still 1 minute and 30 seconds left. I want to see how US 30 closes, okay? Nasdaq? Oh, yeah, we didn't even look at Nas. Oh, my goodness, guys, look at Nas. Oh, guys. Nasdaq is in a mind of its own, okay? Like, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not looking to trade this right now because I'm not willing to buy at the high, and neither should any of you. Let's just enjoy these bullish candles and then wait for the pullback, okay? Okay, in the pullback, we can look at starting to find some more psychological numbers, and we can use previous, just like look at this right there, okay? We can even use this, okay? They found really good support there, then they bounced it up, gapped it up, all right? So unorthodox, trust me, but you'll see why. Nasdaq gets rejected here, okay? What I'm looking to have is this nice big push up, okay? Maybe hold here, okay? I might consolidate for a little bit, whatever it is, and then start to sell off. All right, same thing over and over again. I'm just waiting for the Nasdaq play to develop. If it pushes up, guys, I'm not willing to do it. I'm not willing to put you guys in anything. I'm just not, okay? I've been doing this for too long where you never buy at the high. FOMO. This is the trade that I like. This is the pullback, okay? I'm happy about this, but look, it's pulling back to that overall 5-minute uptrend in that zone, okay? So you can expect some, if you did get into it, okay, I know we kind of slid, we missed it here, maybe had some slippage, but look to take your profit in this area right around here, okay, because it potentially could bounce and reverse like it's doing now, all right? If not, it's going to hold that overall downtrend, okay? So move your stop loss to break even. If you're in this trade, make it a risk-free trade, okay? Risk-free. Okay, that means like you don't lose anything if it reverses and hit your stop loss, all right? It's just a trade. Okay, guys, gold. I told you gold is going to push up. I really think it's going to break 1805 and get to 1807, like, and then we can get all the way up to 18. I don't know. I can see 18, another $4 move. I can maybe see it getting to like 1809.50, 1808.50. Okay, right there. I can see gold making another nice little leg up before it actually has a nice sell off here. And guys, remember, where's my boy Naklish? I told you, you listen, and I'm really proud of you for getting out of that sell, man, because I don't think you'd have an account if you would have held it. You know what I mean? Like the so okay, guys. While we're doing this for a second, just give me 2 minutes of your time here. You know, I like doing this, but I don't. But you got to promote what we build, right? So, guys, we have a mentorship group. Okay, this is my website, stocksnipertrading.com. Okay, in the back end, like in the programs area, full 52-week course. We do 2-3 webinars per week. We have sniper scalping sessions, private Zooms, and basically we're in development of our own application, I guess you could say. We're developing some trading software, so for new traders, we'll help you get into a more consistent run, and you'll be able to track all your data. Okay, but that's in the future. Okay, coming very soon. But we have now, guys, just join the newsletter. Okay, simple, easy, effective. I'm not going to send you anything. I'm not going to try to sell you the latest indicator or anything like that. I'm not here to do that. Okay, what I'm here to do is just basically promote our blogs. All right. So, for an example, this was Ron's call last week. One of them. Okay, and a bearish flag and a bearish continuation into a double bottle breakout at US 30 open. Okay, so you can see we break it down for you nice, A, B, C, D, follow step by step. This is a member who took the trade. Okay, and the trade would have been right here. All right, you could have taken all this right here, but you patiently wait for the neckline breakout, and you can have really good win rate. Okay, break it down A, B, C, D, E, F. Give you a little bit of a description that we talk about, and then there's Ron's call, so you can check it out. So that's pretty much what we send you guys. It's good information. It's really good information. I actually get a lot of positive feedback. Our email list has grown. It's quadrupled within a month. So as you can see, we're not really doing anything bad with emails, so it's good. But guys, one last thing I wanted to show you is, if you're interested, you saw some of the guys on the group saying, how did I join the team? We do have a mentorship group, okay, where, like I said, you get the webinars, you get the live scalping at power hours, more private areas. Okay, we give out trade ideas, similar on higher time frames. We'll be doing a little bit more. So it's roughly right here. You can check it out under mentorship. Okay, and then yeah, guys. So let's get back to trading. I appreciate you listening to me, but so gold. Okay. The link for it is just right up top, and it's in the pin message. I think it is. Oh, it didn't get pinned. 1 second here. Okay, I'm going to pin our website for you. Okay, there's a website, and then there's our free Telegram channel. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Okay, cool. Forex platforms, guys. I use TradingView. Okay, it does have a little bit of a lag. I won't lie to you. I'm not going to sit here and tell you guys this. I use MetaTrader 4 on my phone. Okay, but I use TradingView to chart. Okay, so you can check that out as well. All right. Okay, so US 30, it pumped right back up, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Move your stop loss to break even is a very good thing for you to do. All right, and start to securing some partials. What we kind of talk about and preach. Simply because, like I said, if you didn't, you would have probably ate up, maybe half of the potential profit if you would have gotten in this area right here. And now it's looking to reverse. Okay, so we'll see what's going to happen. We've got the quick little pullback. Okay, now we're looking for it to make its next move. All right, Nasdaq is still a beast, guys. Like I said, I'm not willing to chart something and put you guys into something that I don't believe is going to last forever. But like I said, Nasdaq is so bullish, it's crazy. You know what I mean? Edison, you're doing the right thing. Wait patiently, man. This game is about patience. And if not, if you're premature, you know what I mean? Sometimes you can get burned. Okay, so guys, we're going to go to about 10:30 today. Okay, I just want to let you know that. And then we'll continue tonight with a Tokyo session. Okay. So, and guys, 124 likes. Thank you so much for all the love. I really appreciate it. Okay, like really appreciate all that. That helps get us in the algorithm. We just got the channel monetized. We got a nice little. I'll be honest with you. I'm pretty proud of this. You guys are probably gonna laugh. We made 50 cents from YouTube. Okay, it's awesome. We can go buy a bottle of water, for for the channel. But it's you know what I mean? You got to start somewhere, and it's just crazy to think of the growth. So we wouldn't have had all this if it wasn't for you guys. So shout out to all the subscribers. Mad love. Okay. I didn't take any trades yet. Work has been very busy. Scalping is risky. Please don't forget about me, Dave. Connor, buddy, don't worry. Higher time frame setups are going to come, okay? And they're most likely going to be on pairs. I'm not willing to throw out gold and, indices on those type of time frames. I sent out a German 31, so you can take a look at that, okay? But then I'll get you some more, all right? All our swing traders, don't worry, we got you. Okay, so guys, you see gold? I don't like gold right now. It's in just a consolidation phase, okay? Gold maybe will make this move around 10, maybe 10.15, and then we'll finish off the call around 10.30, all right? But it's looking potentially bullish here. Let's check out maybe the DXY. Okay, so look, had a nice little pull down, push up. Now it's selling off, okay? So let's just wait and see. Yeah. Guys, I got another question for you, okay? Like, I like to be pretty interactive with all the guys on here. Is there anyone like doing prop firm challenges with me, like on this call right now? Do a lot of guys trade with the prop firms? There's some amazing ones out there. There's FTMO, funding talent, stuff like that. You don't have to tell me if you don't want to. I just obviously like to see what everyone's doing, right? So there's US 30, guys. See how it made all the way up to the top? Okay, like it almost made it to 35,343 again, and it pushed right back down. Okay, so that was pretty much like another potential retest. Okay, so they pushed it down, found some bullish momentum, tried to push it back up the entry, and then they're selling off here. Okay, so okay, we do have a lot of prop traders on here. Okay, good, good, good. Do you? Okay, so the reason why I'm asking you this, guys, and I know we have people who are using their own accounts, and you can do what you want. You know, have some good brokers. Okay, what do you guys like? Like, obviously, we're not going to change this. Okay, but do you guys rather trade pairs, or do you guys rather like the indices and commodities? What do you guys like? Okay, so gold is still in that area. You know what, Jade? I want to check out German 30 for you. Give me a second here. See, Jade? Okay, so it didn't break down. Okay. It held support there and then it pushed back up. All right. Okay, we got indices. Miriam K. Tokyo session is tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Listen, go click the top pin message, okay? And you'll have the Telegram link, a free one. Just join it. You know what I mean? You can see some updates when we go live. And yeah, so you'll be good. Guys, GU honestly had a nice little. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this. I'm very sorry, guys, but we missed GU. Nice one. That was a nice buy. Okay. But I'm down with the dirty 32. Okay, guys, this is why you would have wanted to move your stop loss to break even and secure some partials and possibly profits. Okay. So look, I'm going to leave US 30 alone for a bit. Okay. We're going to maybe look for a next trade, but I want to check out Nasdaq here. Okay. Okay. So now we're waiting here. Can we sell NAS now? Ford, just wait, buddy. Okay, for real. Just wait. If you get into a trade now, just be patient. But there's a lot of, buyers and sellers fighting. You can tell by the bottom wick. Okay. Okay, just checking my spreads here, guys. I personally use Fusion Markets. Okay, there's been a couple other people who've told me about some different brokers and stuff like that, so that's pretty good. Anita Corsella, or Corsell, thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate that. Okay. And yeah, Ford, you said, don't enter in the sell just yet. We need to start to break here. Okay. It's looking like it's potentially looking bearish. So I'm going to maybe move this up here. All right. I want to get a nice tight stop loss. Okay. That trade ran, guys. Like, I'm just going to put it up here, but that trade ran hard. That was dirty. Yeah, LeBang, too. Yeah. Yeah, see, we're not about that. Like, and guys, I'm still charting here. Okay, this is the Nasdaq sell, but I don't I don't want to have a group where it's like you're not learning and then you're just getting alerts. I hate those. I've been a part of them, and this is why we're trying to do something totally different. Like, you see all around the world these people joining. Like, we want to help inform. There's people who, $5 is their weekly groceries. You know what I mean? I'm not greedy. Me and Ron don't need that. We just do it for our time and all the extra effort we put in it to help develop the business. So, but these people charging some outrageous prices, that's on them. I don't want to be part of that business model. Okay? That's not me. I'm not a greedy person. So, okay, guys, US 30. Let's just wait and see if it's going to continue here. Okay, I know we maybe missed this opportunity, but you know what I mean? We caught the buy, then we caught the sell. I'm okay with not being able to always scalp in and out at US 30. Okay, we'll catch the next move, and that'll just be that. Okay. So there's gold, guys. Okay, if gold is going to break, it's going to break down here. Okay. And see, I had that kind of similar area right there, right? It's the same thing. But now, when I see, guys, we might have a double top here, okay? Might have a double top. All right, you can see right there. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a nice push. Okay, pull, push, and then it breaks down here. This is the neckline. This thing could fall down, okay? Jaden. I trade like trading is not my job. Okay, I do other things. We have a trade business that will eventually take over everything, right? But I'm trading 2 to 3 hours a day. Okay, and at nighttime when I do Tokyo sessions, I stream sometimes 5 hours. So it's really up to you, like whether you determine that a full trader or not. I would because of how many hours I spend one doing the charting in my business and stuff like that, and then two, oh my god, saved everyone here, guys, this is why you don't sell until I show you the areas. Whew, guys, I don't know what to say. Like I don't know what to say about Nasdaq. Okay, like this thing is insane. I've like that is like I'm kind of like in shock here. You know what I mean? Because that's some of the bullish momentum like that I've ever had in my life. I traded US 30 like red folders and all that stuff, guys, but that thing is running like 96 pips. You know what I mean? That's a okay. So here's what we're looking for, dice. Okay, keep in mind, I'll show you what this is. Okay, that is the opportunity that I'm looking for because that's a big pull. That's a push, guys. That could have been a raid. You know, all the sellers in there coming in, but we'll wait and see. K1 daily. Are you at Nasdaq, bro? And Cliff, recommendations for brokers. Guys, maybe like because I trade fusion, some it doesn't always allow you, and I also am with funding talent too. Okay, just FYI. Okay, so guys in the group, if you guys are trading with good brokers, throw the brokers in this chat. You know what I mean? Throw it in there, guys. Maybe help out some people who, you know, they don't. Maybe they're new. That they're getting maybe screwed over by the current broker. You know what I mean? So if you guys could drop some of your good brokers and hear what you like, you know, maybe start a chat conversation based on that. All right, guys, for real, I'm just maybe leave Nasdaq. If you got in the buy, like you're balling, but like if not, just wait. The sell I think is coming down here at 15,204, but if not, this thing is just gonna run. You know what I mean? So let's just watch Nasdaq. Still bullish, guys. Still bullish. Look at that, guys. That's crazy. That's bullish. Henning, your fusion. Did you sign up, bro? Look at that. Look at gold for a second. Yeah, sorry. There we go. We'll focus on gold for a second here, okay? Thank you, God Atomic. I appreciate that. Good look. The target for gold for today. I don't have targets for the daily. Okay, I haven't done it, but the next target for this one is 1800. Then you got 1797. Okay. Yeah, Ford Nas is crazy, eh? Daniel, Daniel, when did you lose that, man? Daniel Carnero. No problem. But Zemarax, um, join, like and subscribe, okay? For real, bro. Because when I do a top down, I can start giving out daily targets. Okay, I have no issues doing that. Okay. Okay, so just join that free Telegram. All right, no joke. What's next? TP on US 30. Give me 1 second here. US 30 is forming something similar to gold. I see a double top forming here. Okay. Oh, stocks. Oh man. I don't like stocks, man. I was doing me and Ron did stocks for a long time. One, you can't like it's hard to like really help people with it. You know what I mean? Because you get like one or two chances, then it's done, right? With FX, it's all day, every day. That's what I mean. So wait on this for a second here, okay? This might be a quick pullback. Maybe just get away from stocks, bro. You know what I mean? Fred, up top, there's a link. Okay, join the Telegram link. In the blue, okay, free one, and then there's our website. If you want to join the group mentorship group, bro, just click the www.stocksnipertrading.com and then join in, man, for real, okay. But Dan, yeah, like I said, man, maybe get away from stocks, okay, because like it's crazy. All right, so US 30 bullish flag, yeah, I know, I saw that too, guys. Okay, for real, I had this on here. Me personally, like, I'm going to delete it, okay. I'm going to leave US 30 alone for right now, okay. If you guys, Athvera really said some good thing that, no, for fuck's sakes, look at this thing. That's what it was, okay? Look at that. It had the dump. This is the 3-minute chart, yeah. No one knew that. So Fraz, my man, you're scalping 3-minute candles. No one knew it, dude. The entire time. I'm pretty sure it was the entire time. But it doesn't matter for us, guys. I just don't like 1-minute candles, okay? I will trade them, but it's a lot of head fake, okay? 3 minutes are like, boom, fast pace, fast pace, fast pace, right? Okay, look at Nasdaq, guys. This is disgusting. Like, I don't know what to say. It's just disgusting. It's great for buyers. Like, don't get me wrong. Like, whoo, you guys in buys right now, you guys are living large. You know what I mean? Like, this is crazy. But if you know what I mean, if you're not anything with Nasdaq, just wait. Just wait. I'm staying for another 20 minutes. All right. Oh my goodness. Guys, we actually might not even get a pullback. Bro, I know Athvera, bro. I didn't even kill it. I didn't. We just had it charted right, and the thing just went nuts. You know what I mean? Okay, check gold. Okay, nice, guys. Looking good. Okay, slowly, slowly, slowly. It's got to break down 1800. Okay. If it doesn't, you know what I mean. Maybe look to take this profit. Okay. Sometimes these double bottoms and double tops doesn't always fruition, but this thing's looking pretty good. It had a breakdown. Sorry, guys. I'll dive into this a little bit before you can see some of that charting is a little bit piss off. Okay, so see it broke down, broke up, had a retest right at that 1801 area. Okay. And then now it's selling off. Guys, it needs to break this 1855 mark, okay, to continue bearish. All right, just keep that in mind. There we go, guys. There we go. So there's your retest. Okay, let's wait for this candle to close. 47 seconds left. Okay. The FDA grants. Oh, bro, thank you so much. That's amazing. Salvation. Okay, the FDA grants full approval for the Pfizer biotech COVID-19 vaccine. This is the reason Nasdaq is going up, because the Pfizer stock is going up. Okay, that makes sense. For real, that makes sense. Good point. Like I said, I haven't looked at it. I haven't looked at many of those stocks, so I appreciate that, bro. For real, thank you so much for putting it on the group. Maybe, guys, if you're wondering why Nasdaq is there, go look at that amazing information that Salva Khan just put in the group. Okay, but if you know what I mean, if you're in gold, like I said, you're in profits, guys. It's looking good. Okay. And you know what, guys? Like, I know if you're new to the channel, you might not be used to kind of style of trading. It's kind of like flip flop. Like, guys, move your stop loss to break even if you're on gold. Okay, just make it a risk free trade. I'm all about that life. You know what I mean? So that's what we're looking for. Okay, Nasdaq guys, this is flush zone right here, okay? Oh my god, don't guys, it's really iffy. This is crazy area right now, okay? Henninger in the green. Nice, bro. Nice. Okay, I want to see it. If not, guys, I'm going to go back to gold for you just for a second here. Okay, so guys, start to look to secure some profits and stuff like that. There we go, guys. There we go. Okay, guys, so from entry, that's a double top. Okay, so I just want to show you what I'm seeing. All right, so look, tried to break above, got rejected twice. See? Top, top, sold off, neckline break. Okay, now guys, just look to take some of your profits. Okay, for real, secure some of this stuff. Make sure you get in and out. You know, like you're up, guys, you're up 24 pips from entry. You know, so if it gets there, guys, it's gonna take all the take profits, guys. We scalped the shit out of this stuff today. Like we scalped it hard. And these different charts are just different opportunities for trades. Like I don't like keeping one big chart on and then showing you this and that. No, I want to show you the next opportunity. Okay, that's why I do that. All right. So hopefully you guys understand that and enjoy it. Nish, my man, I'm on gold right now. We're scalping it on the 3-minute candles. Look at this, guys. 1797. 1797 area is going to be key. Yeah. My man. Book 20 pips on gold. There we go. Nickleash, remember, bro. Cut your losses. Ride your winners, man. Congratulations. Guys, put in the chat box, do you guys use fibs? Like I know a lot of people do. Like I do sometimes too, for real. But as you can tell, my chart is like it's just bare as hell. But I know a lot of guys use fibs. I have my one Chris. He's my like from Montreal. He sends me all these charts with Fibonacci's, and I've used them like a lot. But he swears by them, and this guy is balling. You know what I mean? I want to give a shout out to him. You know, he's supported me so far, and same with Nathan. So mad respect. Okay, but guys, like, put in the chat box if you guys use fibs. Like just let me know. Okay. Look at this, guys. Use fibs. Good. Got it done. I think it's a good area to put like potential trades too. So you know what I mean. You can do the entries, and your stop losses are phenomenally used when you use Fibonacci's. Okay. Guys, for our members too, if you don't know what fibs are, we have a bunch of tutorials in the back end of our website on Fibonacci, so you can check those out. Okay, NAS 100. Let's check it out. NAS 100. That's the sell 15.122. You can see they're starting to get some rejection here. I'm gonna leave it alone. Like it was dirty. Okay. Abdulaziz. Okay, let me show you. If you use TradingView, okay, I want to show you something. See this little ruler right here? Okay, from there to there, you'll see a 4.14. Okay, gold every $1 is 10 pips, so $4 is 40 pips. Okay, and the same thing with indices. Like come to the US 30. Okay, made a nice little break to the upside. Okay, got sold off. We didn't even focus on this one. So Bad trade, guys. If you took that, it would have hit your stop loss. Okay, we were focusing on other trades, but I'm just going to erase this for 1 second here. I want to show. So if you got in from down here at that held support, okay, and you push up there, do you see how it says 39, 40 pips? Roughly 40 pips. Okay, so just use the ruler. It really helps. So there's gold, guys, looking good. Okay, 13 more minutes, guys. No, $4. So $1 10 pips. Okay, on gold, $1 10 pips. So that $4 would be 40 pips. Okay. US 30 pushed up. Okay, let's check out Nasdaq again. It's still gonna hold up there, guys. It's Jesus. Okay, so you can see this is interesting now. Okay, look at all that top wick. Okay, potentially waiting for the sell off here. We're waiting for it, guys. This thing can sell off. Okay, it can. Yes, $1 10 pips, dude. $1 10 pips. Yes, for gold. For gold. Wow, look at Nasdaq, guys, pushing again. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Wow. Oh, guys, I like it. I like it. Let's go back to the 3 minutes. We're scalping 3 minutes all day, guys. Welcome to Stock Sniper Trading. You know what I mean? What's going on here? Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. This is disgusting. I'm so happy we got this double top. Oh my god. Oh, guys, look at this. 65 pips, guys. Like, I think it's gonna be back to the zone right here. Okay, just me personally. Guys, like, I really wish like I could make this up too, like for real, like, but just go back in the video for the new guys. You're like, oh, this guy made like 65, 70 pips. Well, yeah, we did. Scalping, lower time frames. Okay, we caught this. Even if you want to give us the benefit of the doubt, okay, this was the one that was the say like the initial. Okay, this is the one I told you if it broke support and held here, even if you just take profit there, that's 82 pips. That's just this area right here, 82 pips. Okay, but now you get to sell. Look at this, 60 pips. 140 pips on gold alone, guys. That's not Nasdaq. That's not anything. Trust me. Like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. Like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're in this trade, take profit. Okay. Look at this bottom wick. There's a lot of sellers here. A lot of sellers here. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, guys. A lot of buyers here. Okay. Keep that in mind. All right. You might get a sell pullback for real. I want to just make sure that you know what I mean. We're just seeing how these candles close. Oh my goodness, guys! Look at Nasdaq. I. Sell was not happening. Guys, like this is insanity. We're witnessing history. Okay, this is history. Like this. This was the Nasdaq trade. Had it set up. Where do we live? Me and my partner, we live in Canada, bro. Canada. Yeah, man. Represent. But tonight, bro, we have another stream. Okay, it's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 to 11. Okay, make sure to check that out. Gold's reversing. Guys, that's why I told you, take your profit. I drew this for a reason. Take your profit on gold. Listen, if you don't, it's not me, okay? I'm saying if you got in the trade, if you're in the demo account, whatever it is, look to take some profit, okay? It's still very bearish. It's got to break 1797 to have a bullish continuation, but if it doesn't, it's just going to sell right off, okay? 1 minute and 52 seconds left to see what's actually going to do. We'll watch gold here. Okay, so see how gold is getting some support there, pushing up, guys. That's what I'm telling you. Look to take your profits. Okay. All right. Look at gold. Look at Nasdaq, guys. Crazy. Insanity. I'm gonna send this to the free FX group so you guys see what this is about. No, no, I'm not drawing no fibs, guys. Not on here. Not too. It's too late. It's too late. Okay. We'll draw them. Maybe we'll trade with them tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Let's see if you sell US 30 here. Okay. No selling US 30 just yet. Just patience. Okay. Still making higher. Okay. Steady uptrend. Okay. We got the pullback. All right. We had a little sell here too. Got rejected. Would hit a stop loss. Okay. And now it's getting rejected again. All right, guys. The reason why I'm not doing it, I'm only going to stay for like 5 more minutes. Okay. Then Ron's going to take over tonight. Okay. So back to gold, guys. Okay. So they tried to break it up. They got pushed right back down. Daniel, yeah, there probably is manipulation, but a lot of it has to do with like the news too. Remember that we dropped, so let's just wait and see here. Okay, so it's a little bit of indecision right now. Remember, it's only 10:30. Okay, so like we've made a lot of moves. Market open, 8:30, this and that. We had a really good run. Market might be cooling off for a little bit now. Okay, you might get your next run at 11, but we'll see. Okay, so I tell you to take your profits on gold, guys. That's why it's starting to move up. Fred, the next session, dude, is tonight at 9:30 p.m. My man Ron is going to handle it. Okay, so make sure to check it out, guys. If you're still new to this channel, at the pin message up top, click on the link for the free Telegram group. Join in. You'll get a notification when we send you the link. Okay, and then we drop some free content here and there and stuff like that. So Nasdaq is crazy, 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 insanity. 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, I'm not willing to throw on anything just because, like I said, there's only 5 more minutes left, guys. But if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Okay, it was a good session today, guys. I want to check out German 30 just for Jade. Okay, Jade, see what I mean? So we got the nice little bounce. German 30 running 26 pips in a buy. Okay. Okay. Baby bro, yeah boy. I complete all trades and good TP. My man, that's what I like to see, dude. Where are you from? Athavera, where are you from? Which level are we expecting as? Okay, let me go back to it for sure. Guys, honestly, like I'm not willing to sell NAS right now, okay? Like you know what I mean? Like I had it down here, but it was already like you know what I mean? It just went bullish. Like I that's the thing with scalping. Like I can put something on the chart and then it quickly, but where I'm putting it is the breakdowns. You see how it had support there? That if it broke was going to fill this candle right here and maybe find some resistance there. That's scalping, right? But I'm not willing to like set you up in a buy here for a sell It's definitely something that like can come down here because remember Nasdaq is going to correct itself. I guarantee it. That's just from the news that's currently happening. So just remember that it might run for a little bit more, but I'm not selling until it gets below here. Okay, I drew those top wicks for a reason. It took a lot of bullish push to get there. Okay, but there's a lot of resistance, a lot of support building in that area. Okay, look, a lot of this. Okay, a lot of trap and gap. If it's going to sell off, it's got to hammer it down and then come into this area right here. If not, I'm not looking for anything, and I'll miss the trade. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. I'd rather not take a trade than and you know what I mean, take a trade too early and get burned, right? So okay. Sorry guys, I'm just taking some screenshots here, send it to the groups. Okay, US 30 here. Okay, so the guy calling out US 30 for real, man. Yeah, I think you had a good opportunity for getting to a sell there. If you took it, congratulations. I'm just not going to be on the call for much longer, so I can't monitor it, and I don't want to get you to say one thing and then do another, right? So, yeah, but good call out, guys. But to continue, it's got to break below here. Okay, it's got to break below roughly 35. Okay, 35,355. It's got to break below there to continue downtrend. Okay. See how gold bounced, guys? That's why I told you look to take your profit. Okay. Can you sell? No, you cannot. I would not recommend it. I would look for a better setup. Okay, and I'm not going to be here, so you won't be able to manage. Okay, our Instagram is Stock Sniper Trading. Okay, you can check it out. All right. Okay. Okay, guys. One more minute. Is there any questions you guys have? Like, I don't want to give out TPs. Okay, just because I'm leaving. Okay, but okay, guys. Look at Nasdaq. Okay, getting me a little excited here, but it's just a quick little sell off. You got to remember, I don't usually throw this on much. Okay, you know me. You know me. Okay, I don't have much RSI or any of that. But look at Nasdaq. Okay, really overextended. We have some. Look where we're at here, guys. Divergence. Okay, I can do divergence too. Like I just don't do it. You know what I mean? Boom. Look at this. Okay, we can show you divergence all day, but the key thing is I like support and resistance. I like breakups, breakdowns, and I love price action. Okay, I don't want to rely strictly on these RSI indicators. All right, but keep this in mind. Nasdaq can really sell off. All right, eventually, finding some good support. Okay, if you got in a little early, right? You know what I mean. You might get burned. Okay, so you made 15%, Larry Saprong, bro. So good, man. Ron and I were talking. I like hearing like numbers, but we get off on percentages too. So it's very good, man. Congratulations, 100%, dude. Okay, guys. I just wanted to let you know it's 10:30. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys with this. Okay, check it out. The sell is 15,221. If it sells off, it's gonna retrace hard. Okay. Okay. If not, it's gonna hold. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Let me just kind of go over this again. Stocksnipertrading.com. Okay, scroll down to the website when you landing page. I'm not going to go over this stuff. You can check it out yourself. Okay, but join our newsletter, guys. Okay, join our newsletter. What we do is we do blogs, and we send you some good content. It's not like junk or anything like that. Okay, I promise you. Come to the blog section here, join up. Check it out for yourself. But we send these to you as soon as we're done, so it's kind of important. And then we send you our weekly schedules and different things like that. So it's good. So this is the kind of stuff we show you. Okay, break it down for you. Good content, and then you know what I mean. So just check it out. Go look at it. And guys, we have 52-week course. What else? Webinars. So many things that we do. Power hours. So I'm happy about it, guys. And if you guys want to join the team, obviously you can join the mentorship team here, and then join our Telegram group. Like I said, we got a lot of developing things in motion here. So, guys, just maybe check it out. I won't keep you very long. That's what I mean for the Nasdaq sell. It's got to break below these certain areas to make sure we get to our profit. But God bless everyone, you know what I mean? And I hope everyone's staying safe in the world. You know, I know there's a lot of stuff going on in countries around the world, and it's very. I'm blessed to be in Canada, but I know a lot of people are struggling right now. So I really hope everyone has a really good day, a really good week, and I hope everyone is staying safe and. Just want the best for you guys. So thank you so much for joining, and make sure to check my man out tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Tokyo session. Okay, guys. Much love. God bless and peace. Thank you so much.